Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. It is YT Wednesday. Can I get a ones in the chat for YT Wednesday? Actually, let's just start off the ones. Let's go here. YT Wednesday. Let's go. I hope everyone's doing really well. It's April 15th. We're midweek now, and markets have been pumping. What did we expect? We talked about this yesterday. Are we going to see those all-time highs this week? I feel like we are. We're like almost there. We're seeing these high 25,000 level. 26,000 is in sight. We're at 25,980 right now in Q. But we'll get into the charts in a minute. I hope everyone's having a great day. If you guys have traded already, I hope you guys have crushed it. If you've taken losses, it's okay. We're all here together now. We're here together for the next 3 hours. So I'm pumped. The third day of the 3-hour stream. Let's go. Yesterday was another killer stream. We smashed like goals. We gave away accounts. I mean, why not do it all again today? So I was just speaking to Roman. We do have another like count goal for you guys. So I will reveal that in a little bit, and potential for you guys to meet Roman today as well. I mean, you'll hear him. You probably won't meet him. But yeah, we did talk about that yesterday. You guys want to hear from the ghost behind the machines. So maybe we get a Roman segment today. But other than that, I'm going to do my quick good morning, and then we'll get straight into the charts because we are 1 minute away from Frankfurt Open here. All right, who have we got? Hey, G for Geo first in the chat today. That's a new one. G for Geo, good morning. MS Gufo, good morning. Dajavi, good morning. Good morning, Leia. I see you, Leia. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning, Glenn. Good morning, Kirill. Good morning, Ivan. Good morning. Who else? Vimral. Guys, quickly put a good morning in the chat so I can get to you. Good morning, the Lizard of Oz, Dark Trades by and Mike. Good morning. Good morning, Eval. Good morning, Trader Yay. Oh, I got to get through. Now I've got all my own ones in the chat that are in the way. Good morning, PNW Life. Good morning, Trader HF, Kurt, Tika. Good morning, Lucifer, Andrea. Hey, good morning, Isilda. Mohammed's here. JPL, Wick Sweeper, Lawrence, PNW Wills, Trader Corral, Dark OJ, GRV Singh, Vietnam Shell Shock. You guys are all here. Love to see it. Love to see you guys here early. So why don't we just get straight into the charts? Frankfurt is officially open, so let's go. All right. Now, what are we looking at here? What we're seeing is literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 9th day in a row NQ has been bullish, closing bullish each and every day, which is a good sign. It means that I think there is now a lot more stability. I don't think investors are as scared now about the war and everything. There are talks now between US and Iran again to do a peace deal. So I think that's why everything is just pumping and green right now in the indices. And that all-time high is very close. So all-time high right now on NQ is sitting at 26,399. So that is very close. At the moment, we're trading at 25,988. So we're like maybe 400. What are we? Okay, quick maths link, come on. 450 points, let's say that. 450 points off the all-time high. So an achievable target in a day. Yesterday's daily candle range was a total of 443. So if we have the exact same pump today, we could definitely see new all-time highs made. So crazy times we're in. Not long ago, we looked like we were falling. We were like really falling during all the crazy war stuff. But it looks like things are starting to now just settle, and we have a bit more stability, and I love the volume. You guys know, like, the best markets to trade in are these markets that just move, and you can pretty much catch a trade, a break, however you guys like to trade, like reversals, everything works when we have the volume. So we do love it. We love to see that. Now, if I just drop down, speaking about all this bullishness, doesn't mean we can't see a drop in the London session today. So if we were to see a move to the downside, it is realistic that you would want to see a pullback in such a big price leg like this. Like this entire range, this is the 4-hourly chart on NQ. This is Sunday's open. And since we had that gap down, we have pumped 1,154 points. And this is just one straight, pretty much green leg of price. We haven't had much of a retracement at all. And I would not be surprised if we do see a bit of a pullback today. Before we end up pushing high. So I did speak about that yesterday. I do expect us to have some sort of retracement. Yesterday could have been the day, but no. This is a 4-hour chart, and we just continued to pump after London session. We just went higher and higher and higher for the rest of the day. But here is the first bearish closed candle on the 4-hour. And we could potentially be seeing now a retracement back to the downside. So looking at that, this 4-hour bullish gap for me plays a big part in what I'd like to see on NQ. I'd like us to see drop into this 4-hour bullish gap, respect the midpoint, and then trade out of this to the upside. So something like this is what I would expect to happen. I can never find the brush. But for us to sweep out previous 4-hour low, we've got that high of the FVG sitting at 25,884. So if we can get below this level, respect here, don't be going any lower, and then shooting up for that all-time high. So that's sort of what I'm expecting to see. I think London could play that manipulation today, and then again, New York expansion. This is what I'm thinking. Anything can happen. We know I'm not a fortune teller, but I would like to see something like that happen. In terms of what else we have here, to the targets to the downside, if we do get lower than this 4-hour gap, that's also fun because we have previous day low intact as well. Previous day low sitting at 25,560. So if we get any lower than that, then I'll probably just, you know what, just sit back and let the markets do its thing. But I would expect us to hold levels like previous day low and that 4-hour gap if we are going to keep seeing a pump to the upside. All right, so I am now currently waiting for this 4-hour low to get swept. Once that sweeps and we see a bit of a reaction in this 4-hour gap, I will be ready to take longs. But until then, as usual, we're going to let price do its thing. I'm not going to react to anything. Like, there was a strange, I don't know if anyone can tell me, by the way, like there was a strange manipulation at around 1 AM Eastern today, like a crazy straight up 50-point candle that just came out of nowhere. So be careful, guys. I don't know what's out there, what news can drop like this session. I mean, Trump's asleep, so hopefully no crazy news. But yeah, crazy times we trade in. But yeah, do be careful. Now, over to you guys. What have you guys been saying? How is everyone doing? Anyone in trades already? Oh, hey, we have Rebecca in the chat. Rebecca, oh my God. Hi, girl. We still haven't met, guys. Me and Rebecca still need to meet. I hope she comes to London or something. We definitely need to meet. But hey, Rebecca, let us know also. Like, Rebecca's a gold queen, guys. I actually don't trade gold much, but Rebecca, if you're seeing any levels, let us know. You can have a look. But at the moment, it's NQ for me. Good morning, Wags. Good morning, Devanch. Guys, are you in any trades at the moment? Like, let me know. All right, the African says we're definitely running all-time highs in the month of May as usual, bearish. Interesting. We can remember that one, the African trader. We'll note that. Let's see how right your predictions are. But let's see. I mean, right now, volume is kind of weak. If we get, as soon as we sweep out previous 4-hour low, you guys know I'm looking for the reversal. But I do know we have that gap below us that we could potentially be drawing back into. So I am a little bit more wary today. But let's see. Kirill, all right. TRJ says I'm long already. All right, let's go. Let's see the longs. I personally want us to see us drop a little bit more before the longs play out, but I'm here for it. You know what? The longs took off yesterday without me getting involved, so it could be another day today for that. Kirill says 4-hour grab, then we tap, and 4-hour grab we tap, and oh sorry, 4-hour gap we tap. Got you. And then CISD or FEG on 15-minute, that would be a good long trade if it happens. I like that. I like the 4-hour 15. That's the way I like to trade. 4-hour 15 alignment that's my thing. So I love that you see the charts like that. All right, we are champions short NQ, short CL, short GC. I mean, yeah, if we want to look at CL right now, CL is dropping, like continuing this plummet. We're now back at 91 on CL, which is crazy because not long ago we were above 100. So that's dropped significantly. Not that I trade CL, but like if you guys are in shorts, I think it's pretty much sweet. Just don't be longing. Just don't be longing right now. I think we are going to see some stable markets now. Hopefully there's a peace deal sign and we can just get back into rhythm with them, with the markets. G4Geo is sitting on her hands right now waiting for clear confirmation. Love it. Love the discipline, G4Geo. That is how you need to be trading, guys. Just wait for your confirmations. Don't be getting into anything. Don't be FOMOing. Like, of course, we have seen a little bit of a drop here from NQ, but doesn't mean we need to be just, you know, taking shorts now because we're seeing bearish momentum. But honestly, there isn't much to say about the bears right now. They look like they want to be involved, but nothing crazy for me. But guys, does anyone know what this 1 a.m. manipulation was? Like that straight wick, that was like, what the hell was that candle? 44 points on the 1 minute chart at exactly 1 a.m. Was it news? I don't know. Shimia says, always nice to tune in and see how you guys are doing. Fun session trading London with you and Nick. Oh, we love Shimia. We love you guys being in here. Yes, Nick will be with me from 3, but for the first hour, it's just me riding solo. But yes, love you guys and love that it's 3 hours now. We love a good 3-hour stream because we just get to talk shit and trade. Why not for the extra hour and a half? Devanch says, Celine, you and I are thinking the same. I did enter a quick scalp on NQ for shorts, got my base hit and was out looking for NQ longs post 9. Love that. You can definitely scalp in this market. I mean, there are opportunities to have shorted in here and had a nice short. Like from this, after this random manipulation wick, we did fall from this high. Oh my gosh, we don't want that. We want the ruler. So from this high to this low was 92 points. So we did drop. So if you guys took shorts, W's, well done. But personally, I am waiting. My model shows now for more of a long trade. Peach Bud said, where's your previous 4-hour low? I have that. I was already tapped at 25 and 966. No, so previous 4-hour low is sitting at 25, 969, 75. Oh, sorry, my lie. I lied. 25, 966 is that low. You can see that here. Maybe I will zoom in. We haven't yet got down there on NQ. Damn, Ace Beam Bugging says, I caught that wick, had 35 micros on that candle. No way. Like on that candle? You just went 35 micros long? That's crazy. I sort of don't believe it, but well done. Mexican number says he bought market at 1 a.m. Yeah, what the hell was that pump? I don't know. This candle's scamming. I'm glad I wasn't trading. If I was in shorts and that happened to me, I would have cried. Oh, Roman's in the chat. Roman says we need to unlock Nick. Yes. All right. Let's talk about unlocking Nick today, guys. Yesterday we did it, so there should be no excuses. We're going to do 350 likes and we bring Nick on. We're doing it again. We're locking him up until we hit the like goal. And as usual, yesterday we did do a giveaway as soon as you guys hit the like target. So it's no different today. I will give you guys an account, or Nick will when he has the spin the wheels ready, or the pizza will. We will do an account giveaway. So smash the like button. If you're just tuning in, it's 350 likes, 350. And we'll bring on Nick and an account. How does that sound? Oh, Brandon Baker says that wick stopped my short. Dude, that would hurt. That's so random, like out of nowhere. And then the market dumps 90 points. I feel you. That really sucks. That happened to me on stream the other day though. Like I was in that short and then randomly we just got that 1 minute pump. Like 60 points and then trade died. Oh, morning Kismas. How are you? By the way, Kiz, I know we were talking about yesterday about the London Prop Expo. So it's Prop Firm Expo. If you guys go to propfirmexpo.com, I think it is, that's the one. You guys need to get tickets to that. That's where I'll be. So make sure if you guys are in London or in Europe and can fly over there, or in America and you just feel like flying in the UK, do it. Do it. I'll be there. Prop Firm Expo. Oh, Oh, okay, GPGO, thanks for the news. So ASML and TSM both released earnings, and that's what the 50-point candle was. That makes a lot more sense. Just a random time to be releasing earnings, don't you think? Devanj, I totally agree with you on long continuation for NQ2. Yeah, I mean, why not? This is like 9 days or even 10 days in a row bullish. I mean, you gotta be long-term bulls in this market right now. If I'm taking shorts, it's only short-term. Short-term shorts, long-term longs. Did anyone catch New York pump? Did anyone trade New York yesterday? I know a lot of you probably in the New York stream. Kira says, I don't believe the shorts on here. I don't know why the longs make more sense to me. I mean, I think like it does make more sense, and I think we know why. It's because we just like when was the last time we saw the daily NQ just be printing 9 straight bullish candles in a row? Like usually we get some sort of pullback or like, you know, a bit of consolidation before like the next leg, but this has just been a straight pump, like straight continuation to the upside. So that is why it's so much easier to frame longs right now and just take it as a continuation of this like rally right now. But once we get to all-time highs, I will be then sort of holding back a little bit. Like, what are we doing at that level? At such a key level as well, 26,399, like psychological level. We break through the 400s. Like, I say it's all go. Like, we're just gonna pump, but we will have to wait and see. Let's get there first. Kind of worried about getting stabbed if I go to the UK. Look, it's not the craziest comment. Sort of is an issue there, isn't it? Morning, Mark. Leia says, how much to unlock Nick? 350 likes, Leia, to unlock Nick. All right. Make sure you keep these guys accountable, Leia, because sometimes I forget. But we need 350 likes. We'll bring on Nick and we'll do a giveaway. How does that sound? Leia says, I caught a nice 3R short on oil. You know what, Leia? That deserves a clap. Very good. 3R. 3R is a crazy amount, honestly. Sometimes I'm trading 1R. So 3R, congrats. A really good trade. Nice. Ticket Tudum says, I got a great buy yesterday. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, Ivan says, yes, I blew one account yesterday. I left a contract open on accident and got wrecked. Oh, that is the worst. Execution errors, like blowing an account because of an execution error, there is nothing worse. Like, better to just blow the account because your trade was wrong, or you've just, you know what, blown it because of your trading. But blowing it because you just left an order on, that would have been a tough one to sleep on. Honestly, I would have been fuming. But anyway, new day. It's a new day. Mistakes happen. You guys have seen me make plenty of execution mistakes. It's a thing. The other day I was in a buy when I wanted to be in a short, and you know what? It just happens. And it's best you just move on, get that new sim account, get that eval account reloaded, and just focus. Just don't do it again, because sometimes it's better to just get burned by your own stupid mistakes. Like, that's just in my life. You just get burned by the mistakes so you don't do them again. I think that's it. That's a good thing to know. All right, Uttam B is in Enki shorts from 88 to 40. All right, let's see those shorts play out, because I do want to see a 4-hour low sweep. So Uttam B, yeah, I hope this works for you. Yeah, GVR sings as Nick's supreme leader. Well, clearly not, because I have the power to lock him out of here. So he's a dictator no more around here. Since I get to come on stream before him, I get to call the shots, whether he gets to come on stream afterwards. Kieran says, what are you seeing today, Celine? I'm hoping to see a bit of a retracement during London to fill in some of the lower 1-hour gaps and Rocket for NY. Pretty much what I was talking about earlier on in this stream. Yeah, I'm hoping to see some sort of a pullback, retracement, London session, and then expansion in New York. And we do have some gaps. That's what I like to use anyway, to form the liquidity targets, so gaps or swing points, but because there is no swing point in sight, I guess even previous day low doesn't even form like, well, previous day low pretty much is the next swing point. But I said if we do get all the way down there this session, I don't think that's going to happen. I mean, what is that drop from where we are right now to previous day low is 417 points. So less likely. I mean, okay, possible, of course, but very, very low chance that we get all the way down there. So I'm using the 4-hour gap to anchor me and to say this is the place that I want to see price respect and hold, and then pump from here to all-time highs. No, Mexican number says, Lemo, check out financial juice, bro's awake. Is Trump awake, guys? Seriously, I cannot. That guy, someone put him to sleep. We want to just trade a clean London session, please. We don't want Trump to be tweeting. Trump had a phone interview on Sky News. When was that? Oh no. Please tell him to shut up. Ahmad says, good afternoon, Celine. Do you know when that next tournament is going to happen? Well, I do, but I will not be revealing that on stream. You best believe I keep the Tradeify secrets shush. I keep them in the air. You will find out soon, though. And it's going to be sick. It's exactly what Nick said. It's going to be a good one. Like, really, really good. Very excited for that. I cannot wait. Schmitzel says 1 hour, 4 hour previous busy respected. Let's go all-time highs, Lemo. Literally, sometimes it's like you don't need to overcomplicate trading. Just let's respect this gap and go higher. That's all I'm looking for right now. Yeah, 1D A7BB says one tweet from Trump and we are there. Like 400, and then Kieran says 400 points drop. Light work for a Trump tweet like that. Yeah, well, that's the only thing that could really like pull price to go down there at this London session. A 400 point drop, it's got to be a Trump tweet. The only thing right now. But we're really not getting any sort of sweep. I might actually have ES open here just in case there's an SMT like yesterday. ES looking definitely more bullish than NQ at the moment. So there's a chance that we may get an SMT, NQ sweeping and ES not sweeping. We love that. It's a little bit more of a strong confluence that happens. So let's see. Chief Gio, I never saw your comment. Queen Celine has a nice ring to it. I mean, thanks, guys. I'll be the queen. London queen. Morning, Abhishek. When is Tradeify news? I was talking about the Grand Cup. These guys were asking about the Grand Cup, and that will be soon. That will be soon. Stay tuned for that. Pre-ord. All right, with the indicator questions, here we go. There's questions about this every day. I use 2 indicators on my chart. They are both built by ScriptEdge. You can get the sessions and key levels that I use here. You just literally have to search sessions. Oh, why am I in capitals? Sessions and key levels. And it's this one. The second one that pops up with the name ScriptEdge. That is the session and key levels I use. I went over that yesterday with you guys, but pretty much it's just a it's very customizable. So if you guys want to see Asia, London, New York, whatever sessions you want to see, you can also customize your session, because obviously I use the kill zone hour, so I do change those session times. Then you can say whether you want to see the highs and lows or the midpoints of those sessions, the previous levels, which previous levels you want to be seeing. Right now I just have previous day high and low marked. You can see current levels. So if you want, right now I just have the daily open level. I can have daily, current days high, current days low, current day mid, like any of these. It's all customizable. It's really clean and simple to use. And then I also just customize the lines how I like them. And then also whether you want to show whether the line's been swept. That's a cool one as well, because sometimes like I'll miss whether a level's been swept, and this way it actually shows me when it sweeps because the line changes to a dash line. So it's so much better. But yeah, that's all it is. Really easy to use. Highly, highly recommend. Rimal, good morning. Can you please make a short video on your London strategy? Yes, I actually get this asked a lot. I think I will put some sort of video out. I'm not the best with making content. It is a bit of a task for me, but I'll be more dedicated to doing that, because I know I get these questions every day, and I think it'll be easy for you guys to just see some sort of video. So I will, it's on my list. I will film a video and I'll just go through like a really simple strategy breakdown. But I sometimes will do a breakdown on Twitter. So if you guys want to check out my Twitter, it's Celine Trades. And sometimes I do have more detailed explanations of my trades on there, but a video is probably more helpful. Peter says on the 4-hour FEGs, you're looking for a reaction on 50% of the gap or top of line. As soon as it's tapped for me, like Peter, as soon as it's entered that gap, like from the top of the FEG, I'm calling that a reaction. If we drop lower, when I talk about the midpoint of that, I just want to see the midpoint respected. It doesn't have to be there. Like, it doesn't have to go there for me to enter along. But if we are going to drop there, I'm very interested to see how we react. Are we going to break below that midpoint? Are we just going to keep dropping? Then I will be easing off from taking longs. But I do want to see a reaction at the midpoint if we get that low. But otherwise, if we tap into that FEG and just get to the first quarter of the gap, like that's enough for me to be happy to take the long. And then also still be completely wrong about it. I could still get stopped out, but as soon as it's tapped, I feel better. Celine, clip your indicator script for your IG. What do you mean clip my indicator script? What if we don't? I know you guys were saying this yesterday. What if we don't want to unlock Nick? Trust me, you want to unlock Nick. Otherwise, it's just going to be my voice for 3 hours straight. And I'm not going to be able to do that. Yes, to do is spot on. We need 350 likes, guys. 350 likes. We'll do a giveaway by the time Nick gets here, and we'll also unlock Nick at that point. When can we expect that video, Vimal? I will. Look, it's a very busy week. It's my last week here in Bali. So I'm going to say I'll try do it by Friday, but if not, next week. But yeah, I'm getting prepped to leave this place, guys. Like, I've got a whole bunch of stuff. I've been here for like a year now. So yep, it's been crazy, but now it's time to go. So this week I am doing all of that sort of stuff, finalizing. I eventually have to pack. I have to pack all my stuff, get out of here. There's nothing worse. Jean says, bonjour, Jean, Francois, by the way. Even though I'm bullish, I've got plenty of confidence around 25,600. Okay, wow. So, Jean, you were saying you want to see price drop to 25,600 before you take longs. I mean, that's like a whole 400 points from here. So if we do get that sort of a day today, then I was completely wrong, but I don't see it. I expect us to just hold these levels, like these key levels. We're just so like bullish right now. 400 point drop is not on the cards for me, but anything can happen. Bueno trading. I see your comment. You don't need to ask it twice. I will get to you at some point. But it's the indicators I just went over. If you want to go back, like rewind the stream, I use 2 indicators. One is for sessions and the key levels, and one is just to print my to show me my model and my setup that I like to trade, but I went over that just like 5 minutes ago. I don't want to bore everyone going over it again. It's just these two. Session and key levels by Script Edge, and then this is the Selene Trades one that I use. The link to that one is in my Instagram. All right, Abby is in M&Q longs right now. Let's go. You guys are already taking longs. I'm personally waiting for the sweep. We can hopefully get that. But if we don't, ES is looking a lot stronger right now as well. If you guys are taking ES longs. Yeah, I just want to see the 4-hour low swept before I take anything. But we'll see. Mario says another week bullish. Yes, another week bullish. What do we know? Let's have a look at the weekly actually. I rarely ever use the weekly when I'm doing chart analysis, but yeah, this is the third bullish week in a row. Crazy. When was the last time we saw 3 bullish weeks? Whoa. The last time we saw that sort of bullishness, like 3 green weeks in a row, was September 2025. So there you go. Those are the times we're in. Straight rally. Waxgram says it could Selene 15-minute FVG below us. 15-minute FVG. Are you looking for... Hold on. Where is the 15-minute FVG? I mean, I'm personally looking for the 4-hour FVG because gaps on the high time frame are always more probable. And yeah, I do see the 15-minute FVG. I would expect us to drop still into the 4-hour. That's what I reckon. But if not, would be wrong because I just need a 4-hour sweep for me to enter these longs. From Bali back to England, damn. No, not going back to England. Going to Australia. Back to Australia. That's where I'm from. I've been in Bali for like a year now, and that's a long time to be away from home and to be in like a country. So like Bali has just been sun the entire year. Like I'm looking forward to going to Australia and being in a new climate, having cool, like cold air, rain, those sort of things, because I've just been in the sun for so long. And as much as that's stupid to complain about, because I know some of you guys are in like cold weather right now, but trust me, be grateful. I need to get out of the sun. Are you Indigenous in Australia? What? No. No, I'm not Indigenous Australian. Not at all. That's hilarious. All right, right now, NQ, guys, is not looking like it's giving us the drop back the previous 4-hour low. Interesting. We're sort of back at daily open right now. And Asia low has been swept, but I want to see previous 4-hour low sweep before I enter. Tapping into a big 5-minute gap here. This could be nice to trade out of into the 4-hour low. Potential short here. But not my setup. Nope. Just still waiting here, guys. Be patient. If you don't see a setup, it's all good. This is what trading's like half the time. Like, really, if I'm not on stream, I'm sitting here like on my phone or like cooking or like doing random other things because trading is literally boring. And I think it's good to get to that point where it's boring and you're not like at the charts like heavily like trying to analyze and complicate things. Like the trade I took yesterday in London session was using maybe 2 to 3 like signals. So it was I took it like a 15-minute sweep or like tap into a 15-minute FVG and a 1-minute IFVG out of there and just targeting the high. It was like 3 points to that trade. And that's what I'm really big on. Like when I first started trading, it was very hard for me to like just go through people's like strategies and how people were trading, and I couldn't make sense of half of the stuff out there. And that's why I needed to just simplify it myself and use very simple basic dumbed down, you could even say, ways to look at the market, because I don't know, I don't get the point in just overcomplicating things, and people have like 200 lines on the chart and zigzags and numbers and I don't know, all sorts of things. Like some people's charts really be looking like outer space charts, but yeah, for me, this is a real simple way to look at it. I use gaps, I use swing points, and that's what works for me. That's not going to work for everyone, but I'm just saying that's what I've had to do. So I have like a very simple way of looking at these things. But yeah. ES breaking out. ES is having a bit of a move. You can see that. But no entry for me since we didn't sweep previous 4-hour low. So that's my usual long scenario here. If we didn't get a sweep of the previous 4-hour, right now the 4-hour candle is an inside candle, and I don't like to trade those. It's because it's sort of a nothing candle. I want to see a sweep before entering. Constant says you don't need 100 indicators. Yeah, I use 2 indicators. They simplify things so much for me. Literally, there are levels I want to look at is just the 4-hour, the 15-minute levels, the daily levels, and the session levels. And that's all I like to see on the chart. That's just me. That's a very simple way of looking at things. And it might not be ideal for people. People might want to look at, like the weekly midpoint, or there is no right or wrong in this game. It's just like what works for you, what you like to see. The candles and the markets are only going to do one of 3 things. It's either going to go up, down, or sideways. And you just got to pick like which side of the market you want to be on, up or down. And you can't really be sideways. So you just have to have a strategy that tries to play into picking one of the sides. I mean, simply put, that's all you have to do, and work out what works for you. So for me, I like to trade a reversal. I can't actually look at a chart and see it in the way the breakout traders do. Like, it's just not, I guess, how I learned trading when I started. So the way I've learned is to see as like those breakouts as the manipulation, and then like the real move comes after. So that's just a me thing. So right now, like for me, taking a breakout, it's not the way I like to see it. I'm still waiting for a sweep, and if I don't get it, I just won't trade. There's no need to trade other people's systems and other people's way of seeing these markets. You just got to trade your own. Anyway, I'm rambling here, but that's just what I wanted to say. It's clear that market is irrational. Yeah, 100% irrational, completely random, but it's still like you can still make strategies and models that sort of play on these patterns, I guess, occurring. But a lot of it also has to be in terms of your risk management. That's a big part of, like, when people say strategy, like, you also got to ask, like, how do they risk manage? Because that is also part of strategy. Jimmy, good morning, Jimmy. Jimmy says can't hang around today, just want to say hey. Hey Jimmy, glad that you're here, my fellow Aussie. And it says new Invincible episode dropping today. I didn't watch Invincible. I actually have not been watching much TV shows lately. Morning, Sean the Sergeant, or Sean Sergeant. Damn, you guys, we need to get the like count up. We really do. Like, we need 350 likes. Oh, we're not getting Nick on. Let's see what we're at. Also, because I want to do a giveaway here. There's over 400 of you. 183 likes. Guys, 350 and we bring Nick on. And we get an account. There we go. Roman's letting you guys know Nick will be here in around 30 minutes. So we need 350 likes to unlock him. Otherwise, Nick stays locked up forever. Here in the checklist, this bias, high time frame, intermediate time frame sweep thing is part of the Selene Trades model indicator that I use. Taraj, how to participate in the giveaway? Well, The giveaway will happen later. All you have to do is fill out a form that Nick will give you guys, and then we just literally spin a wheel. It's the simplest thing. There is no rigging involved. You guys will see us spin the wheel live. Just make sure you're there, because if we get to 350 likes, I will give an account away. Jessie Sleen, do you watch anime at all? Yes, your girl does watch anime, although I haven't watched in a while. The first anime, if you want to call it, that I got into was Avatar Last Airbender. I don't know if that's like counts as Avatar, but that is like my favorite show of all time. I've seen it so many times. I love Aang, like, and Katara. That's just my favorite show ever. Chatter, if you guys know what that show is, makes me love you guys even more if you know Avatar. But also my sister is a massive anime fan, and she got me into watching Naruto. I just never finished that fully. There's just so many episodes, and then I sort of just gave up because I ended up seeing like a lot of fights and things later on in the seasons. She would be watching it, and I'd come downstairs and like end up seeing so and so die, and I'm like, okay, it's just ruined the show. So I just stopped. But I do want to get back into watching Naruto for sure. Kieran says, can you please show the indicator I'm also using? This is the indicator. You can have a look at my Instagram. There's a link in my bio. I say this every day. If you want access to it, you can go there. That is all on that. Avatar is top tier. Yes. Love that we have Avatar fans in the chat. Oh my gosh, Amir, where is the form? Amir, you're allowed to ask that here because Nick's not here yet. But guys, do not be asking that. Avocado Ninja says, Naruto, no wonder Brett hired you. Yes, Brett loves anime. I'm pretty sure like majority of the Tradeify team watch anime. It's crazy. There is like a whole channel in our back end that's just like anime. Yeah. I saw that on Miriam's story. Attack on Titan, I think like everyone's getting into anime, aren't they? I need to get back into it. I haven't watched like shows in a while. But I will. Jonathan says, don't worry, I'll keep receipts, Celine, for Nick. Yeah, let's do it. JC says, probably the best anime I've ever watched. Are we talking about Attack on Titan or Avatar? Because Avatar, if we want to call Avatar anime, then yes, the best ever. All right, Amia says, sorry for being late. What is your bias for the day? You're forgiven, Amia. Just don't do it again. No, I'm kidding. Oh, good. I'm just glad you guys are here. I'm glad you guys are here for the Frankfurt Open, because some days we do get the nice push in Frankfurt, but I'm not seeing the sweep yet. So I'm not in any longs yet, Amia. I was telling these guys I want to see a previous 4-hour low swept before I get into any long, which is the usual setup for me. But it looks like we're having the same issue as yesterday. It looks like we're just going to pump here, and I'm going to miss the long. So I might be taking a continuation later today like I did yesterday. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yes. Lucifer says, don't start with Attack on Titan. It's like longing at the top tick because you will never find anything better. Wow, that makes it sound like it is really great, and I need to watch this. All right. I don't like the dark anime. My sister got me into watching Blue Lock because I love soccer, so she said that's perfect for me to watch. That was all right, but I just don't like the dark anime. Jonathan says here for the... Oh, Jonathan said, I really hope people don't ruin a chance for one of the chat to win an account again. I'm trying to think of a new way for you to run giveaways that are fair for everyone else, as a lot of people are here for trading, not the giveaway. No, yeah, that's so true, Jonathan. But like, the thing is, the like count, it's a very simple thing that people need to do. It should be fair enough. Like, all they have to do is press a button, and then we'll give a free account away. It should be simple. But yeah, you're right. Like, some days people just don't want to do it, or they do it and they do it illegally and bring bots in here. Guys, who is in these longs right now? There was, I mean, without the sweep, I can't say it's a clean setup for me, but there has been, can't say Frankfurt didn't provide the move here. From this low, we've pumped. Okay, 30 points. Not crazy. I lie. It's not quite the pump, but still we did get a move here. You had your long setup play out. It's looking good. Blue Lock was pretty good. If you do watch AOT, you're probably gonna have to rewatch. It does get pretty deep. Okay, but that's fine if we get deep, but I don't want to get dark. I don't like the dark anime. Also, I didn't like One Piece. Didn't like One Piece. Couldn't get into it. Too slow. All right, let's see what trades you guys are in. So Thiag Drays says he's in longs. Maris is in short. All right, we've got a fader in the chat. Jesse's close to TP. Let's go, Jesse. Let us know when that hits. 2600. Okay, we're almost there. Literally 6 points. Let's go. Constantine said avocado long 978. Got in long after the second bounce from floor. Nice. Kirill entered 1 hour grab gap rejected and CIC on 5 minute to our target. Let's go, Kirill. Guys, let's smash the longs. Come on. I'm glad you guys are in this. What else? Who else? Pike is in it. Schmitzel says respecting 5 minute CBCE right now. Let's have a look. Interesting. That could be good for me because I do want to see a still sweep 4 hour low. So yeah, you're right. It is respecting that CE of the 5 minute. But once to come down and sweep 4 hour low, I will be getting in the longs. So I hope that for me. But you guys in longs, I hope also that your targets are hit first. Jesse's long off 76. Damn, Jesse, you got a nice entry. Camille, hey Cam Bam. He's in shorts. All right. Well, there's a bit of, majority long, but a few of you in here short. So I'm happy either way. If it does dump, I get my setup, and if it goes long, then I miss it. But you guys win, so I'm happy either way. Yes, Roman's reminding you guys, we need 350 likes to unlock Nick. What are we at? Because we don't have long. He'll be here in like 10 minutes. Let's see. Okay. 250 likes. We only need 100 more likes, and there's over 400 of you. So don't be lazy. You're just joining us. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you smash the subscribe button also while you're at it, because that way we can talk. You can comment and everything. But for now, get those likes up. If we don't get to 350, there's no Nick and no giveaway. And we want to do 2 giveaways here now because we go for 3 hours. So we want to give you more, but you have to do stuff too. Okay? Gotta be fair. Oh, the leader is not happy with me. No, One Piece? Oh no, I didn't think I like that. I don't think I like that. Shaking my head, my heart hurts. Yeah, look, not my cup of tea, but I know it's pretty popular. I just didn't like it. Gary says I caught 20 points at the opening because it was at the bottom of Asia. Very nice. Okay. Nice. Lucifer saying, well, I want a short ES from here. ES very close to previous day high here. I wouldn't be shocked if we have a bit of a reaction there. Also, NQ close to that previous day high. But I just really want to see a sweep. We haven't swept anything for me to enter this yet. I never like to just enter when we've already pushed. Like yesterday in the London session, you saw, like, I waited. I saw the market pumping and I waited. I wanted the pullback before entering long because the market doesn't just move upwards for forever. Just want to see those like key levels like FVGs or strong like major swing points. In this case, like a major swing low to be swept first before going long. So that's why I'm not in anything yet. And there's no need for me to FOMO into this. This is just a market doing its thing. It's moved like 30 points from the low, so nothing crazy. So if you guys aren't in the longs, don't be like forcing anything right now. But if you are, W's to you. T-Bone says, didn't the sweep of prior 4 hour just before Frankfurt Open qualify for your setup? Well, it couldn't have, because what I do is I trade once it gets to 2 a.m., so the Frankfurt Open, I look to the previous 4 hours. So obviously at 2 a.m. we get the new 4-hour print. So therefore the previous 4-hour low was that last 4 hours candle. Okay, what's the easiest way to explain this? So if I was trading pre-Frankfurt, which I wasn't, but if I was trading around, yes, we would have had a sweep, and I would have probably had a setup after we swept this previous 4-hour low and entered this 4-hour gap. But I didn't trade this, and I don't even know if that was a setup to buy in that. But from 2 a.m., this candle opens. We wait. I wait for this previous 4-hour low to sweep. So this only printed at 2 a.m. this low. So now that it's 2 a.m., since we have had a little bit of a drop, but we stayed just above this level. We haven't quite swept. So no setup for me to go long yet. And if that makes sense, I hope it does. Oh, we got chicken in the chat. Guys, everyone put a morning chicken or bakirk in the chat, as we say. But let's go. I love that he's here. He says, Celine, here before London stream, what is up? I'm so glad you're here. Kalimera, Yorgo. We're doing good. Are you in any trades? Let us know, chicken. I'm not in anything yet. Just been waiting. Well, Prophet says anime is a psyop. Anime is just like nice TV. Like, I know there's like some dark anime out there. Like, I'm not for that, but like anime in general is just fun and cute. Like, I don't know, makes you feel good. Watch Avatar, Paul Prophets. Watch Avatar. Tell me that doesn't make you feel good. Love Avatar. I literally cry every time. All right, Chicken says, Kalimera, no, not right now. I held the long for 12 hours yesterday, London till market close. Dude, whoa, Chicken, you would have banked on that. Were you trading that live with a live account? Holy, market pumped. I was looking at that actually because I did also take longs and took like 25 points in a market where I could have taken like 300. It's kind of like so angry at myself that I didn't like leave a contract run. So annoying. But yeah, what the hell? You guys held long. Anyone else hold those longs from London session all the way to market close yesterday? What a trade. Jaja SMD said full port short 26k. I mean, we're not even getting back up to 26k right now. Have we gone back up there? We're just reacting like just before the 26k level. But if we do get a rejection of 26,000, and we do see a 4-hour low sweep, then I'm 100% in these longs with you guys. Ria says to claim the account, they have to see a registered Tradeify email on your YouTube description. Yes, correct. You're not wrong. Shenlong says, I've been watching anime for 40 years long before it was actually cool. Whoa, that's a long time to be watching anime. That's cool though. It's probably changed a lot, I'm sure. I don't know if it's gotten better, but like, damn. That is a true fan. Hey, Cheeseballs in the chat. Good morning, good morning. How are we doing, Cheeseballs? Are we in any trades? Cam Bam, don't even try that. Camille is saying Celine likes Avatar because it's all CGI and AI, which means Celine is AI. Connect the dots. Bruh. That is the furthest thing from the truth, thank you. Avatar is real and I'm real. Okay, Chicken says just a mini live account. Held a runner, closed out on consistency on the props. Nice. 351 points. Get out. I wish I can be be at that level of trading to be holding a 351 point winner. That is insane, Chicken. I give you that. You may not have won the marathon, but that's a killer trade. We got to give you that. CMA Shell says DAX 40 view bias. I didn't trade the DAX, guys. Will not trade the DAX right now. NQ is my thing. That's all I can do, and gold from time to time. I will take trades on gold, but that's just because that's what I've been watching for the past straight 2 and a bit years. So that is all, yeah, all I can talk on. Okay, Lily says, hi, I saw your other indicator, but which do you use for the previous high and low? Okay, so previous day high is being printed from the sessions and key levels. I've got that here, previous day high and low. I've selected that myself. And then you can also have whatever, if you want the previous 15-minute, 4-hour, whatever you want, you can put that all in this indicator. But what I'm seeing here, the previous 4-hour low, this one, and also the previous 4-hour high, that's being printed by my other indicator. That makes sense. You can also do that on the sessions and key levels. We're still talking about Avatar. Brandon says Avatar is so good. I used to watch it with my kids all the time. Yeah, Avatar's the best. FX Peter, don't even get me started, he said. I went long at 583 and had to close a position on all accounts because I was heading out with my kids to the doctor. Came back and price was 300 points higher. Oh, that's one of the worst stories I've ever heard. Having to close out and then miss out on 300 points. Like, I've closed out and then missed out on like 50 points, but missing out on a 300-point trade, ugh, that sucks. Jesse says, does anyone else close positions right before London Open? I don't. I've definitely been in trades in Frankfurt during the Frankfurt Open, during that first hour before London, and kept trades on. No difference for me. We don't normally get like a crazy manipulation like we did normally in New York. Like, if it's New York, I do. Like, I wouldn't be in any trades holding through the New York Open. Absolutely not. But for London, yeah, it's totally fine. For me anyway. Leonard, how did you get... Oh, hi, David, by the way. Missed your comment. Leonard says, how did you get into trading? Okay, I got into trading... Well, if we really want to know, I was introduced to trading when I was like 6 years old. My dad had these books. My dad used to day trade. And he had these books. They were these black and white old looking books, and I used to go through them all the time, like just wondering what the hell they were. Sometimes I would read them as I got older, like I would see candlestick charts and all that, but that was before like things were electronic. So I used to see like papers of charts and like the bar charts and all that. Okay, but that's not when I got into trading, let's be real. I got into trading in COVID, so around 2021. I first opened the charts again, and that's because I was sort of looking at trying to make alternative sources of income. So I just recently bought my first property with my partner, and we're also looking to like expand and, you know, build our wealth. So trading was just another thing that I got into, but it didn't last. That's when I had an MT5 account, tried Forex, and I just did not have the patience. I blew whatever money, I think it was like $500 at the time, and I just blew it, gave up. And yeah, I just did not have the psychology or the discipline or the patience or anything for trading back then. And then again, I rediscovered trading in 2023. Was just hating my job, hating the cycle of going to a job that I just did not enjoy and wanting to have other sources of income. So I didn't have to rely heavily on the 9-to-5 life because, for example, like things that I loved, like gym and things, were just feeling like drainers, and I just like didn't have the energy nor the time even to fit in gym sometimes at night. Like, I don't know. It was just not a healthy way my lifestyle was. So I was like, no, I need to make trading work this time, and I'm going to go all in and make it work. So I quit, and I had a proper go at it, and that's when I've never looked back. I just gave all into trading and learned everything there was studying nonstop. It was like my day job, was studying, was watching YouTube, I was reading things, I was everything. It was my day job, back testing nonstop. Like, that was my thing. That was my day-to-day, just back testing, finding what works. And yeah, that is when and how I got into it. All right, Scatter Limit says I trade only DAX for the 28 and for the last 3 weeks and up 28k. So that is crazy. But guys, we are 3 minutes before the London Open here. which means Nick is going to be joining us very, very soon. So I'm going to get a quick check on the like count. We're at 288 likes. So sadly, there's no Nick again today. We needed 350. There is over 450 of you watching right now. And if we have 350 likes, I'll bring Nick on and we'll do a giveaway. So if you're just joining, make sure you smash the like button. We'll do a giveaway like straight off the London Open. Why not? And we'll end up doing 2 giveaways today. If you get 350 likes in the next 1 minute, let's go. Let's go. Come on. We can do it. We can do it. Just smash the like button, guys. It's a thumbs up button, not the heart button. But let's go. We want to do 2 giveaways today. Come on. Right now we're at, let me get a quick update. Wait, I need to refresh. Phone is glitching out. What are we at? 320. Okay, good. Looks like we're gonna get there. You've got 30 more seconds, 30 more likes. All right. Vimal says, Celine, do you trade only London or do you trade NY also? Trade both. Trade both most days. Some days if I've had a green London session, I won't trade New York. I just won't risk it if the markets aren't looking clean. Or if I'm just tired, honestly, because my side of the globe, it gets pretty late to trade New York some days. If I haven't taken a trade in London, I will definitely be awake for New York. I'm an addict like that. But guys, let's see. Have we? All right, minutes over. We haven't hit 350. And we're not doing a giveaway. So let's hope we have. I'm doing a refresh. All right. What are we at? What are we at here? Okay. All right. So we're at 351. All right, 351. Sorry, guys. I looked like my brain froze for a second there, but Roman was just speaking to me in the back. So 350 likes. We hit it. So we will do a giveaway, and that means we will bring Nick on as well. So yay. He is coming in a bit. So be patient, guys. I will bring Nicholas Wickolas on. But for now, we are back at Daily Open. NQ has just chopped around since having that roughly 30-point push up, and we are currently reacting out of this 5-minute bearish gap, respecting the midpoint of that right now. So let's hope, fingers crossed, I can get a trade if we drop down into previous 4-hour low. I will be looking to take a setup for a long, that is. But until then, I'll be waiting it out. What are you guys saying? You are from America, right? It's 3 a.m. now and you can't sleep. No, I'm in Bali. It's 3 p.m. It's my afternoon right now, so not sleep time yet. Let's go, Leia. We did smash it. We did. We're doing that daily, guys. I mean, I think tomorrow I'm going to have to up it. Up the likes. Maybe up the giveaways. I don't know. But Nick will be here very soon. So get comfortable. You'll have Nick and I for the next 2 hours. Go grab your coffees. Oh, I see someone in the back room. All right, let's do the intro. This is my pride and joy. Okay, ready? Wait, I didn't even have it ready, guys. My bad. All right, are you ready? Let me introduce to you the YT wearing, hair never moving. Oh goddamn! Wait. Wait, let's start that again. My screen just glitched. All right. The YT wearing, hair never moving, GP trading, biohacking, Mutu catching, state with ketchup abusing, soundboard trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, the one and only Nicholas Wickolas. Welcome in.
I love this intro. Hell yeah. Good morning. Good morning. How are we doing?
Morning.
All good. It's Happy YT Wednesday, chat. Happy YT Wednesday. We're happy.
Here we are.
Yeah. Chat, you know what to do. Put them ones in the chat if you love your life. Put them ones in the chat if you're ready to make money. Put them ones in the chat if you love London session. Put them ones in the chat if you love the first hour with Celine solo. Put them ones in the chat if you love putting ones in the chat. Put them ones in the chat if you love putting twos in the chat, but you prefer ones. Yeah, let's see those ones. Come on now. There we go. Nice. Nah.
Mhm.
Wait, have you taken any trades yet?
Not yet. So was
Not
looking
yet.
for a long if we were to sweep out previous 4-hour low, but right now nothing. No sweep, no trade. You?
Nope.
Oh, you
Nothing
just
for
woke
me.
up.
No, I went to the gym. I'm back.
Oh, he's back.
I can walk again. I can go to the gym again. But it still hurts, but at least I can do some sports, which is nice.
Nice.
Yeah. Yep.
Awesome.
So,
So yeah, some of these guys were in longs, some of them were in shorts. It's been a bit of a mixed bag in the chat right now, but certainly we are seeing some sort of volume play out. Hopefully,
all right.
hopefully you get some trades in today.
Damn, your charts are stretched so much. It looks like we did a whole lot of craziness.
Yeah,
overnight.
I love to do that just to make it look a bit more voluminous. But this is what we're working with.
Let's see. Good morning, Mind to Dave. How is it going?
Oh, by the way. All right. So we did smash a like goal before you rocked up. We've been doing this thing the last couple of days. Like it was Roman's idea that we lock you up until they smash a like goal. So they actually did. We tell them every day that they can't unlock Nick until they get the like count. So they got 350 likes for us. So I said we'll do a giveaway.
Okay, hell yeah, let's do it. Let's do it, chat. You know the drill. If you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the giveaway form, fill out that form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified, which would obviously suck. And by the way, we always have those geniuses who think they can fill it out multiple times and then they have multiple chances. We can see it. So don't do it. Sending you the form right now. Let's run it. If you ask me where the form is, you get disqualified as well, by the way. Just saying.
Oh yeah, some of them were trying to troll before. Amia, I'm looking at you. Because they were like, Celine, where is the form?
And Lulu, I'm looking at you, okay?
Oh, yeah, Lulu for sure.
LL, if you're from a banned country and you win, then obviously you can't use the account.
You could like enter and then just give it away to someone else if you want.
That's true. Good morning, Ursula. How is it going? Schmitzel 2. Leah says, Lulu, don't do it. Don't do it. No. Do we have to fill every form you posted?
Griffin is trolling. He's been here every day. He's the troller.
You know, there are days where I think we're at the bottom. It can't get any worse. And then Kryptonir appears.
It's true. It can get lower. It can get worse. You guys never cease to surprise us with those comments. I see yours, Heinz Steak.
I see it too.
I see them.
Gizmas, good morning. I'm good. Thank you. How are you? What is the indicator of the chart below, Celine? Alexander is asking.
That is the session and key levels. Guys, I did go over the indicators earlier on. So if you just like replay to like maybe the first 15 minutes of the stream, someone else asked that. So I won't bore everyone here, but I just used 2 indicators on my charts. And that is it.
Oh, whoa, wait. Shout out to Nikohan's wife, Ursula, also an Ursula. It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Ursula.
Oh, happy birthday.
Nick, any recommendations on gold? I haven't looked at gold yet. Still have to. I'll let you know after. Gio, good morning, strong Nick. Hell yeah, I like that. Good morning.
How was it first gym session back? Were you weak?
Wait, what?
Your first gym session back.
I understood the first stream session. I was like, what?
Gym, sorry. This is my
first gym session was good. I like this week I'm doing kind of like freestyle workouts because I don't train legs yet. And next week we'll go back to a normal workout routine. So it was good. It was nice.
Nice.
Wait, Trader Nikohan, you and Ursula, your husband and wife? Wait, what?
Crazy.
You're both in the chat all day, all the time?
That's sick.
Ursula, can you confirm, or is Nikohan bullshitting?
That is so sick. Another trading couple. Shout
actually
out to the
sick.
trader couples. That is sick.
Hell yeah. I mean, you're one of them, huh?
I'm one of them, but I know how it is. Like, that's hilarious. It's actually funny when your when your partner is whatever, like, also is a trader. There's so many arguments that happen in the home. I totally get it.
My fiance sometimes just walks into the room, looks at the chart and says like, bull flag.
That's awesome. Oh, it's the best.
Funny. Get smoked says, imagine fading your partner. Miriam and Terrence, they fade each other sometimes.
Oh yeah, literally. It's like that sometimes. Like, what do you mean it's a breakout? It's obviously a short here. Just end up fighting.
Hey, Ursula and Nikon, you guys are legends. You know, Ursula, you are, oh my God, chicken, you look insanely hot today. But Ursula, since it's your birthday today, we're gonna give you 5x entries for the giveaway.
Yay! Yeah. Oh sure. That's so sick. So do you guys like have us both up on your TV or something right now? And you watch together? That's sick.
That's cool. All right. Wait, let's see if she actually filled out the form though. Okay, she did. Good. I'll just add you to the form 5 times. One second.
Yeah, awesome, Alexander. Anyone else who are asking about the indicators, just do that. Just go back and rewatch. Ayakuzuna is asking, what do you do when one of you makes money and the partner doesn't? Well, at least we're together. So one of us we know is making money for the family and the other is losing. So it kind of just balances out.
All right, we ready for this giveaway? Chat?
We're ready.
Okay, so let's first see. I'm gonna shuffle here because Ursula is in it 5 times. I don't want her to be all in the same spot.
Damn, that pizza looks good.
Here we go. Yeah, it does look good. All right. So the winner of this first giveaway today on Tradeify TV, Wednesday, 15th of April, YT Wednesday, is Liquidity Roots. Liquidity Roots. Let's see. Say something in the chat.
Chicken, bro, you had time.
Chicken, you're just slacking, man.
You're slow.
All right, let's see Liquidity Roots in the chat.
Ooh, rigged. I mean, they're saying rigged. I'm like, no, not rigged. Definitely not rigged.
Rigged. I would have won. Okay, let's see. Chicken or contestant 1,
Contestant 1,
2, contestant 3. Let's see if with a 25% chance he would have won.
Oh my.
Yeah, he would have. He would have. Look at that.
Damn.
Yeah, bad. too bad for you.
Yeah, it's not our fault. Chicken, don't be slow next time.
Liquidity Roots is here in the chat. All right, Liquidity Roots. Let's find out what you win. Let's see. I'm gonna put growth, select, and lightning. And obviously, you can also win a free pizza here. So let's see. Spinning all wheels. Liquidity Roots, you win. Oh, this is good. This is very good. This is a 100K growth account. Congrats.
Nice.
Fire. Liquidity Roots, 100K growth account. Should we gamble?
I'm like, you know what I'm gonna say? I'm always down for the gamble.
Liquidity Roots, you want to gamble?
Do it.
Let's see. Let me know. He says thanks. Well, that's not the answer I was looking for.
Yes or no?
I'm ready for a gamble. Okay.
Yes.
How about this? So you get a 100K growth, obviously. So we add 0, 1, 2, 3. How about that? 25% of chance of losing, 25% chance of staying the same, 50% of chance to get more than what we currently have.
Wow, quick math there.
It's pretty good.
All right, let's spin it. This is exciting.
Stop your sarcasm there.
Come on, spin the wheel, Nick.
He says, okay, all right, spinning. Gamble, big gamble.
Oh,
300K. 300K select
win.
accounts. 300K select accounts.
Yeah.
Congratulations. There we go, liquidity roots. That gamble paid off. Chat, take notes.
That's why we always gamble. Gambling always wins. Full stop. Let's go. What a nice win for the day. I mean, do you even need to trade? Like, just take your 300K accounts and run.
It's a pretty good win.
A nice win for the day.
Yeah.
Leah says, where's the fucking winner music? I know, we need some sick music in here when someone wins.
Roman says, chat, that's why you need to unclock Nick.
I know, right?
So in the future, we have to set higher like goals to unlock me, huh?
Yeah, clearly. 350 is too easy now.
Hell yeah.
And some days, if I just don't want to unlock them, it's just going to be infinite. If I don't want to unlock you one day, chat, it's just going to be like 10,000 likes.
Liquidity. What was it? Liquidity
roots.
Liquidity roots. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. And this email address has to be your actual Tradeify login email. If it's not, we will not be able to send you your accounts. Okay. So you know what to do.
Justin, good question.
That wasn't even a good try from Chicken. Chicken is just stupid. Chicken,
He's
you
really
are
trying.
stupid.
I feel bad, but he did take a 350-point long yesterday. I told him, well done for that. Like,
nice.
Being a chicken and all, and being able to trade like that, you got to give it to him.
True.
But Justin makes the good comment saying, when can we hear Roman's deep Russian voice? And I told them, I did ask Roman, the mic is ready to go whenever we are.
Wait, what?
Roman's mic got it. He spoke to Drew. It's all sorted.
Oh.
We want to hear from the dictator.
I want to hear from my Russian brother. Vodka.
The Russian brother. Can't do Russian accent.
He's like, Russian brother.
Russian brother.
No, bleh. He ain't stupid, Nick. He's just a chicken, Amir. Well, okay, wait. Let's find out. How intelligent are chickens? Chickens possess surprising intelligence comparable to some mammals and primates. Okay.
Really?
Featuring complex social structures, long-term memory, and basic arithmetic skills. They can recognize over 100 individual faces, show empathy, display self-control, and utilize at least 24 distinct vocalizations to communicate. Holy fuck!
Damn!
Holy fuck! Chickens are actually intelligent. Look at that.
Damn! Who would have thought? Also, like, I guess that makes sense because there was that chicken on the internet that got a prop firm payout after trading.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, doing better than a lot of traders, to be fair.
I know, when the chicken gets a payout.
Yeah, that was actually chicken. That was him.
Oh, that was him? Oh. Yeah. Congrats, chicken. You went viral for that.
Mm-hmm.
Well done.
Chickens can't do math. It's insane. That's actually insane.
I didn't even know they had facial recognition. I find that so weird when, like, I learned that about these in Melbourne, and well, in Australia, we have these birds. They're called magpies, the black and white ones, and they facially recognize you, so they won't harm you if they know you by face, which is crazy.
Wow, that's crazy.
Like, they know you.
That is crazy.
You don't know them, but they know you. It's the freakiest thing.
Huh. Did I have 2FA? Oh man. Yeah, that is crazy. That is actually very, very impressive. I didn't know. Mm-hmm. To the person that asked me about gold, by the way, here's what I would want to see on gold. Going from this London low from yesterday to Asia high, join the Fibs, right? I would want to see a tap into GP. So 4819, 4820 ish. area. Tap into that, which is previous day mid. So great alignment there of confluences. Maybe even 707 and then a bounce. That's the only play I see right now for gold. So longs, but I need a deeper pullback.
And NQ, how are you feeling on NQ?
The NQ. I mean, we had this candle here at 1 a.m., right? Which was a pretty crazy candle for just randomly at night. 54-point candle with a huge wick. So potentially showing us that we're gonna move lower, right? So not the biggest fan of anything right now.
Apparently that candle, someone in the chat did look into it. It was earnings. Someone's earnings came out. DSM and
at 1 a.m. Eastern time.
Random, right? I wasn't sure about that, but supposedly.
Earnings at 1 a.m. Eastern.
What are they? Maybe they're European companies? I don't freaking know. No, but then why would the NQ go up? No, that doesn't make sense, guys. Doesn't make sense.
Some guy says that was the fuck you wick. Yeah, the middle finger wick. Love that.
French CPI? I don't know. I'm hearing all sorts.
French CPI at 7 a.m. No way.
Nope.
I mean, let me double check, but that doesn't make any sense. Why would France have their CPI?
It was Trump on Truth Social talking about the Pope. Guys, I don't know. Let's just call it a manipulation, whatever it was. Something happened. I also like gold for longs, but haven't had a setup.
Let's see.
Have you guys seen the SanDisk stock right now?
What stock?
SanDisk. I'll show you. Like, it's pumped.
Really? Why?
Well, because I'm just gonna like completely fumble it, but I'm pretty sure it's to do with them moving more into the AI space and what they can do. I think they might be having a chip or something. But I was looking at this stock. I'm not gonna lie. I was looking at it in October last year.
Why?
I was reading it.
What the fuck?
Because I was doing a whole bunch of research into AI stocks and like what is, the next.
Interesting.
What would be the next move? And I didn't buy it, but I was like sort of looking in October, and in the last 6 months, it's up 554%. So that's just fucking insane.
Crazy.
Like really big move. But if anyone is in this stock, like wow.
I mean, I got some SD cards.
Yeah.
Are they worth more now?
They probably are. I also have them. Should I sell them?
I actually have a ton. Wait, let me check.
Well, you probably have like big ones, huh, for your videos and it's got like premium SanDisk, probably worth millions.
Yeah, brother, you need SD card. I got a lot of them.
Oh, he's loaded, Chad.
I got
Hold on to them.
SD cards, brother. You
That's
can
gonna
buy
be currency.
Very, very good price only for you.
I want to learn to do the
we got 32 gigabytes. We got 64 gigabytes. We got 128 gigabytes. Very good.
The accent was going slightly Australian there. Bytes.
Rise up lights.
Gigabytes.
Gigabytes. That is only the feed pick. That's right, man. That's right. It's basically like these are like these here on the right side are my right foot, and these are left foot. Left foot is more requested.
Left foot. Damn.
Yeah.
And when are we gonna get a preview? Oh, you have to. That's gonna cost a lot. We probably don't have enough for that.
Yeah, I was just about to say, make some profits first.
Okay.
Then we can talk.
We'll do that first, chat. We need to make millions, I think, before we get access.
Speaking of millions, did you go buy a Rolex?
No, not yet. I haven't even.
When are you buying it?
I said this year, but.
I mean, this year, it's April. I told you gotta order it, because if you don't order it, you won't get it this year.
I know, but a lot of things have to happen before then. Like I have to move to Greece, I have to do a lot.
I mean, just the thing is, you gotta go and pick it up in person. So you probably want to order it when you're in Greece, actually.
Yeah, I said I want to do
store.
it. No, I said I want to do it in Switzerland. I think that would be sick.
Yeah, there's not a big chance that you're gonna get one in Switzerland.
No.
Like if you're not from here, you're gonna have a hard time getting one.
Okay. Except if you know Nick Metzger.
I do have a good connection and relationship with the store.
No, I don't know. I think Greece. I think Greece will be easier.
In Greece, not that many people can afford it, probably. So that's good.
So there'll be heaps ready. The store will be full. But yeah, it's on the list. It's on the list.
How to get Rob tutorial. Buy a Rolex and move to Greece. Well done.
Yeah, and I have to go to the UK in June, so not a good idea, right? Before.
Oh.
Dum dum.
Dum dum.
Why move to Greece? Why not? Beak of music.
Damn, what a comeback there. Hey, we haven't played Pokemon in a while.
Like you haven't in general, or you mean on stream we haven't?
Both.
You're slacking. What do you do with your life? What do you mean? As if you're not playing Pokemon as soon as you jump off stream.
Not recently. FX Peter says we have been waiting for that Patek Philippe for 7 months. Damn, which one did he order? I want to get a Patek. Pateks are nice.
I'm not a watch person, but when I saw the pink Rolex, I just knew I have to have it. But other than that, I'm not really like the biggest watch person.
Fair.
In Singapore, they have the What?
Oh, interesting. Sahari says, when you move to Greece, come to Bulgaria for the Rolex. We have a crazy reseller here. But you don't want it from a reseller. You want the original one, you know?
But I don't know. Like, can we trust the Bulgarians? Is it gonna be real?
That's a great question.
I've heard horror stories of people doing deals with cars and stuff there. Bulgaria.
Wizard Trades, no trading today? Hell yeah, trading today, but we need to set up. We are ready. Waiting.
I'm liking that we didn't actually pump from Frankfurt because I'm waiting for this previous 4-hour low to sweep, so maybe I can get a setup in here. I want the longs. Wait, Lolito, I never hated on Pokemon. I'm just shocked that Nick hasn't been grinding that because his Charizard was at like level 76 or something last time.
It's higher, actually. Wait, let me check. Let me check really quick. But FX Peter says 24 for my wife. Wait, Patek? 24? What's that? Let me check. 24. Oh, I know which one. Look, funny, I actually had the purple link because I already clicked.
You've already been shopping for this.
Yeah. Okay, not my style, but nice for your wife. Definitely.
That's a nice, yeah. I like the square face. It's nice.
I don't like square watches. Okay.
I feel like it's more feminine, isn't it?
Yeah. Although, like a lot of people wear the shit, what is it called? Oh god.
Audemars.
No. The shit one that everybody has.
Oh, the one that does the skeleton.
They do have a skeleton. The one. Oh, am I stupid?
What?
Oh god.
I know it as well.
Oh yeah, the Cartier. That one.
Oh yeah. Oh no, that's not what I was thinking of. There's another one that does the face.
Not Richard Mille.
Richard Mille, I think.
Richard Mille. It's so funny how English-speaking people say Richard Mille.
I only know it from like the American rap music.
Do you know how to properly say the brand name?
No. enlighten us.
It's Richard Mille.
Oh, that sounds so much better than Richard Melly. Richard Mille.
Richard Mille.
Go again.
Richard Mille. Okay, my Charizard is level 79. I got Charizard level 79. I got our London Gang Mewtwo at level 70. Then we got Suicune at 50, Articuno 51. Got a good team here. We got a good team here, I tell you. Can't wait to beat your ass in Mario Kart. It's gonna be good.
Oh yeah. Get ready. Get ready. Wait, for you to beat my ass. Hold on, I heard that so wrong.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to beat your ass in Mario Kart. I'm telling you. Anyway, we don't have to have this every day, but I'm just saying the drag, like, I don't know, drifting on lag, it's not going to work. It's not going to work for you. Good luck. Good luck. I'll see you on the turns. Like, you'll be like trying to get around the corner, and I'll be like zooming past you. You'll see. You'll see.
Oh, Celine.
And who do you play? Like Shy Guy? No.
Of course.
That doesn't work.
Shy Guy is goated. Shy Guy is goated. Let me actually check really quick how bad the lag is. Let's see. Then I can tell you if we can do it or not. Bum, 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 bum. Wait, is it not plugged in? No. Okay, never mind. It's not working. Not working. Whatever.
Wait, did you read Drops Trade's comment?
Nope. What did he say?
He said, I don't understand engagements. Last time I got married, it was only 6 weeks before she told me we were getting married.
I don't know about.
She told you?
I don't know about you, but her telling you you're getting married kind of sucks, man.
That's kind of crazy. No comment.
Did you get proposed to?
Me?
No, Drops Homestead.
Oh. I was gonna say.
Kind of lame, if you ask me. My fiance once asked me what I would do if she proposed to me. I would say, fuck no.
Yeah, no shit. I could never imagine that. There's no way I was ever gonna propose to even though like I waited a long time. We were together for 8 years, and like I could have easily proposed, but there's no way. There's no way. I was waiting.
Damn, chat. Roman pushing for a giveaway here. Look at that.
Roman.
Yeah, but same for my fiance, Celine. She had to wait 10 years, but she waited.
Yeah, but there's no way we were gonna embarrass ourselves and propose to our partner. That's just like no.
Nope.
No way.
Okay. So new like goal. We're currently 577 people watching, so 577. That's what we need. Drop says, my dad dated my mom 2 weeks and then 4 weeks later drove down to Texas, told my dad they're getting married on the army base. Okay, wait, Drops, are your parents still, like, were they, like, I don't know if they're still alive or not, but are they still together, or were they still together? Just asking respectfully because you're our grandpa, so they must be old. "66 years married." All right, damn. Just dating 2 weeks and then married for 66 years.
Wow,
that's impressive.
That's very impressive. That's very rare.
Yeah. Chief Geo says, "What's wrong with the girl making the first move? I've been asked out more times than I've asked girls out." Asking somebody out is a different story. Like proposing and asking somebody out is already kind of lame if the girl has to do it, but proposing?
I don't think I ever asked my partner out ever, but that's just me. Everyone's different.
Yeah, I'm just like very conservative when it comes to these things. Very traditional.
Yeah, you could say like I'm very old school. You can call it old school if you want.
Same.
But TRJ says, Celine, any advice to control FOMO in struggling? I've been struggling for years with that. Okay. I guess FOMO is a real thing. Like, let's not try squash it. Like, it's okay that you have been struggling with it, because sometimes it's hard to accept that a market is running without you in it. But I just think that comes from a place of, and what has definitely helped me is this mindset that the markets won't be here the next day or the next hour. Like, you need to have an abundance mindset with trading. Like, there is always another trade. There is always another day, another opportunity to enter. The word I'm looking for is like a scarcity mindset. It's scarcity. It's because you think you have FOMO because you think this is the one and only chance that you can enter. And if you're not in the long and the market pumps, you think like, okay, my trading's over, this is it for me. But if you have an abundance mindset, and that goes like for your life in general, just having an abundance mindset, like thinking that there's always more, there's more opportunity. Like, it's not just all down to this very moment, this very session, this very day. It'll help you a lot. It's definitely what helped me. If I don't get those moves anymore, it doesn't faze me, because I know there's just another session. Like, we're trading right now the London session. There is also the New York session. There is also tomorrow. There is also the next day. Like, you don't need to be in every move of every day, of every session, of every hour. And that is just how I look at it. I think that will really help you. You start to implement that abundance mindset. But yeah. Mo says, welcome to Nick and Celine's dating advice hour. Yeah, how did this turn into dating advice? You're welcome. Yeah, Moses, Celine, that's what I need to learn. It's so true. The abundance mindset really changed my mind on the whole, like, feeling that FOMO feeling. That's one thing I can definitely say I have gotten over in my trading. FOMO. There's no need to have FOMO, because when you look at the markets, they've been here since the beginning of time. Whenever that exact year, I don't know off the top of my head, that we first had the first exchange, and they're still here. And so they'll be here for however many years, however many sessions there are ahead of you in your lifetime. You need to start thinking of it like that. It's not just this session. Okay? Look at your charts. You can go way back and just think about all the candles that have printed since then. Do not worry. You're not missing out. And that's what FOMO is, this fear of missing out. You just don't have fear. Have abundance mindset and you'll be good.
Bingo.
That's that. Yeah, market doing nothing right now. Adventures of Mali, nothing at all.
Nothing.
You can't really break 26,000 right now. It's just that psychological level we keep rejecting off. Cameron, message was unclear. I just reported.
Wait, I hear myself echo through your speakers now. You had this yesterday, I think.
Roman, what do I do? Should I turn my volume
Maybe
down?
like turn down the volume a little bit.
Okay. Now? Is it good?
I think so. Hello. Yeah, we're good.
Hello. Do you actually say, Celine, the thing is I'm always scared to see a prop firm to get out of my country because political instability. It's always a race to pass my eval faster. That's my biggest problem. I just wouldn't be thinking about that sort of stuff when it comes to trading. You don't know if, like, I mean, I don't know. I don't want to get like really deep here, but you don't know if today's your last day. Like, you shouldn't be like thinking or trading with those extremities in your mind, like a prop firm just not being able to trade anymore. It could happen in my country. It could happen in your country. Like, there is no reason for me to be. I mean, prop firms could just not exist one day. We obviously pray that they're around forever. I mean, Tradeify hopefully is, but there's like, we have to understand, like, we're in a very lucky time to be able to trade prop firms and have this this amazing space to trade in. And I'm just saying, like, you just shouldn't be thinking about the idea that one day they don't exist. And I shouldn't have said that really, because that's what you're saying is on your mind. The thing is, just trade. Do not be thinking about those sort of extreme examples, okay? It really will mess up your trading. Just trade, look at the charts for what it is, and your prop firms and your evals and all that, and just trade it. Get these ideas out of your head.
Yep.
Yeah, you should never be in a mindset that you need to rush to pass a prop firm. And guys, just to like say on that, Tradeify now with a 3.0 drop, like, there's no more subscription. So if there ever was a rush for you to pass an eval stage because you want to pass it in the month so you don't have to pay the next month's subscription, like, no more. None of that is around anymore with Tradeify 3.0. You guys can trade your eval with none of that mindset on your mind. So none of this FOMO, none of this like, okay, I need to get it done this week or this, this month. None of that. Just trade calmly, trade with the patience, and yeah.
Correct. Yeah, the market is kind of slow today, huh?
Yeah.
Average candle around 400 volume. It's about 2/3 of what we usually have.
It's slow, but no news we're expecting today, so I didn't expect this. I thought we'd have a bit more of a good session to trade with, but nothing.
Starboy says, hey guys, sup Starboy?
Hey, sup Starboy? Yeah, Jonathan, I was going to say, he is rejecting the 999, like, exactly. I'm watching that. They just can't. I think when it breaks 26,000, it'll be good. But right now, it's just really struggling there.
Oh, Sly Nova trades. Haven't seen you in a while. Says that's true, Celine. Monday I was in an A+ trade, but didn't like how price danced around my entry for 2 hours and moved my stop to break even, and price moved after that. We got the same setup yesterday and made more. Nice.
Love that. That's awesome. That's reality. Like, remember that moment. So next time you're feeling like the FOMO, I don't know if you feel FOMO in this, like, but guys, use that. Just remember that. A+ trade, break even, and then same setup, made way more money. Exactly that. There's always another trade. Oh, there's 26,000 finally.
Back to 26K. We got to give that to Joker. Sorry, spelling mistake. Chicken. Yesterday, he had a massive long. Massive long.
Yeah, that is insane. Imagine, we were both in longs, Nick. Like, if we held from that London.
If I wouldn't have gotten that Nicholas Wicholas. Oh, man.
Oh, it's always the way, isn't it? Did you trade New York? Did any of you guys trade?
Yeah, I had one loss though.
Fair. I just want to trade something today. Give us something.
Let's see if we reject VWAP, Justin. I think there you go.
Again, we're rejecting this 26,000. if we invert this imbalance, I'm long. Or which imbalance? There are a lot of gaps, but yeah, right now we're reacting in a 15-minute bearish gap, which is here. Looks like we could be potentially inverting that in this candle, but for me, I still want 4-hour low sweep. If I do enter a long, it would be like B plus setup. Maybe not even B plus, maybe like a B setup. I do like it. I think we go higher. All-time highs? New all-time highs?
I mean, let's see. Let's see. We still need 74 more likes to hit the giveaway target.
What did we say? Wait, are we already like over the 700 mark?
What? No, I said 577.
Oh, I thought we were doing 750 because Roman said 750.
Just because the Roman says 750 doesn't mean we do 750. Yeah.
That's true. Are we going to do a Roman voice reveal today?
I mean, if he wants to. Unlock yourself, Roman. Wait, can I hear you now or no?
I think right now that should see. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Guys, let us know when you can hear Roman.
Gotta hear Roman. Actually, right now we're gonna do Roman trades.
Hello, guys.
So-
Can you hear me?
Hey, there he is.
Hey.
There's my Russian brother. So Roman,
Oh, hello. Yeah.
where is the
Yeah.
market going? Up or down? You tell me.
Yeah, I'm completely newbie, guys. So I'm barely.
No.
understand
You're
what
an
talking
expert.
about
Tell
and
me.
Stuff like that.
Are we gonna go long or short? Long or short?
No, don't pretend, Roman. You're like the most profitable trader out there.
Yeah, of
you're
course,
just you're just humble.
Okay, long or short, Roman?
Long.
Long. All right,
All right, Roman says long.
done.
The
Let's
entry?
go to this account. Boom, long.
Switch to Nick's chat, Roman. I think he's actually in the trade.
Yeah, I did. I'm in a funded account. Roman,
Shut
you
up.
either make me money today, or you lose me money. Let's see. Gonna do a little
let's
1-to-1.
earn money. Yeah, let's earn them.
Okay, let's earn money.
Right.
I like this idea. Roman.
Okay, I'm going long. Stuff it. I'm on an eval that's in a drawdown. So when wait,
Roman,
wait,
come on now.
wait.
Come on now, Roman.
What did you do,
You just
Roman?
lost $600, Roman.
Nick, what the hell is that?
Oh, yeah.
Zoom
that was
in,
the
zoom
segment
in.
with Roman Trades. Congrats, everybody.
What the hell is that?
Honestly, this couldn't have gone worse.
I cannot wait.
Plus the slippage, I had to stop at $475. It slipped me to 605.
Oh my gosh. What the hell was that? Like, we've been talking about a market that hasn't moved all day, and then Roman just go long and it just...
Oh, that is funny. Roman is a market maker. He said long, and then he took shorts, stopped us all out,
Yes.
and
Oh
now
my
he made $1 million, and we are here sitting
Still
on a $600 loss.
Yeah, this is how
Oh
trading
my
does, guys. So yes.
This is how he does it, guys.
Yes.
Lucky I didn't enter. I was just about to buy, and then the market just dropped.
You know, the timing on this was
Too funny.
incredible.
Yeah,
Like
That
it couldn't have gone better. Literally, this is clippable to death. This is perfect.
That is cinematic. You got to zoom in. Like, how did people
Anytime
do
All right,
that?
Roman, go back to the back room. You're losing us money. It's not good.
Into the shadows, please.
Oh my god, that was funny. Roman, you're a legend.
That
That
was
was funny.
hilarious. No, that timing could not have gone better. What?
No, for real.
Roman's
That timing
cursed.
was crazy.
It's actually Roman doing the cursing.
That is
There you
incredible.
go.
That was absolutely
But on the
incredible.
flip, imagine if he'd like randomly said short and then you like banked in a second. It would have been even funnier. Roman says short and the market just dumps.
That is fucking funny. Like,
oh my gosh. I'm glad you're finding the humor
Roman,
in this.
why have you now booked flights to Mexico? Oh, that's funny. That was great.
You guys knew it. You wanted the content. I swear, geez, well, that couldn't be scripted. That was like, we've been sitting around in like a 20-point range. And then what was this candle?
That's crazy. That is
damn.
crazy. Amir, why unfunded? Because I didn't have an eval. Funny. Funny. Well. Now watch it go up there. Watch it, like Roman gave me a little Nicholas Wicholas entry there. Now it goes up.
That is crazy.
That's funny.
I might actually long this. I can see that with that like drop, whatever that was, ES actually took out the previous 4-hour low and NQ didn't. So there is an SMT now. So sort of like this 15-minute low sweep. Now, Roman, we could be on. The longs could work, yeah.
That's funny. Chicken sent me a message when we were talking about the intelligence of chickens. Sorry, Chicken, I'm going to expose you now. He sent me a message when we were talking about the intelligence of chickens and said, if they were that intelligent, they wouldn't land in a soup.
Oh. Damn, he's got a point.
He didn't want to expose himself, you know? Funny though. What are we gonna do in Q?
I'm gonna enter along.
I'm gonna enter along. La 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 la.
La 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 la. Just entered along. This is an eval that has a lot of drawdown, so I'm just gonna risk it for the biscuit here. But I do actually like, we have SMD, 4-hour low sweep, 15-minute low sweep, and I just didn't have my other accounts up in time.
Womp.
To trade.
Yeah, of course, Jesse. Roman knows how to trade. That's why he said long, and then he just used us as liquidity. He was smart. He was playing chess. I was playing checkers. He was playing 4D chess.
I still can't get over the timing of that.
That was perfect timing. Like we were literally waiting like 45 minutes for anything to happen. Roman says, go long. I go long, and it immediately hits my stop loss.
Can't get over that.
LRN Sicastro, with that L, are you done trading? Fuck no. No.
1L. 1L's nothing, guys.
Especially not on a random Roman trade.
All right, I'm in this long 26.058.
She in the long. Ray Ford Gibson. Nick and Celine, what part of the world are you in? I'm in Switzerland. And Celine is sometimes in Vietnam, sometimes in China, sometimes in Serbia, sometimes in Australia,
never in China.
Sometimes in Bali, sometimes in Greece, sometimes she's a digital nomad, you know? She's everywhere.
What they call me? Digital nomad. No, but never China. You lied there.
That's not true.
Liar.
That's
Why are
in
you
your
lying?
in your intro.
You
Your
made that
intro
up.
says Australian, Balinese, Greek, Serbian, Vietnamese, South African, Chinese. And you told me about that.
Nick, I never said I was in China. There's no way.
You did.
No, I've never
Yes,
been to
you did.
China.
That's why I added it to the intro.
You didn't add. Is Chinese even in it?
Yes.
Check.
It is. Go back on the recordings where I introduced you, and it says Australian, Balinese, Greek,
I think
Serbian,
no.
Vietnamese,
I
South
think
African,
no.
Chinese.
Vietnamese, yes.
Want to bet? Want to bet? Last time I introed you, I said Chinese. Want to bet?
Check your notes.
Want to bet?
Yep,
Okay, how much?
No, but check your notes. Maybe you said it and you didn't read your notes properly. Check.
How much?
Check your notes. No. Check your notes. It's not whether you said it or not. It's whether it's in the notes.
It's in the
'Cause
notes.
I reckon maybe.
In the notes, and I said it.
Okay.
Okay, so how much?
I'll buy you a Tradeify eval.
Wow. Wow, Celine.
Well, what else would you want? You're acting like that's not the best prize you could ever win, huh? An instant lightning funded.
Ooh, okay, I'll take it.
Okay.
Nice.
Go and check your notes.
Yeah, mine. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Entire screen, boom. Notes. Australian, Balinese, Greek, Serbian, Vietnamese, South African, Chinese. Last edited 9th of April. Didn't change anything right now. Celine, you
Well,
can't
you know
win.
what I wanted. You know what I want to
You
have.
can't
a bet
win.
on?
You can't
No, okay,
win.
just this is to like double or nothing now. I want to bet on whether I said it or not. I never said it. I never.
Now you want to double or nothing, but you know what? I'm smart, so you buy me that Lightning Funded account.
All right, well, I will, but I still am going to go back and check because if I said it, fair enough. I'll buy you two, and if I didn't, I'll buy you nothing.
You did say it.
Let's also chat. Chat, did I ever say, does anyone ever remember me saying I went to China? I've never been to China.
China. Huge.
China. Then you told someone on the stream. Guys, I've never been to China. Why would I say that? Liars, all of you. All of you can't be trusted.
Why are you lying?
You never said that 100%. Thank you, chicken. Thank you.
Chicken, go back to your soup.
Not went, but you said you're part Chinese. What? Never heard from that. Yeah, see? You guys are crazy.
Nope.
I think you said Hong Kong. All right. Chicken after I backed you up. Sorry, chicken. No, but guys, what the hell? Straight up lying.
So, why you lying? Do I really have to go? Do I really have to go back to the stream now?
I'm gonna find it.
I'm gonna find it right now. You can take over the stream really quick. I'm muting myself.
Go for it. Guys, these are the places I've been. I said Thailand, Vietnam. I can obviously remember where I've been, where I lived. Thailand, Vietnam, Serbia, Greece. Did I say Thailand? Thailand, Vietnam, Serbia, Greece. That's it. Melbourne. Bali. Sorry, Bali. Never China. I've literally never been. I've never been to China. Okay? I'm not Chinese. Never been to China. Not even Vietnamese or Thai or any of these places, but Nick just wants to add it into my intro. Okay? I know where I've been, guys.
It doesn't matter. I still win the Lightning Funded.
All right. I'll talk to Brett about that one. I'll make sure it's rigged.
You said you're going to buy me one.
I'll buy you one, but I'll make sure that the account's rigged. I'll make sure that whenever you buy it, it's short.
Hey.
What? You're lying. I never said I lived in China. Why are you lying? What? Bradley says, lost FIFA now, lost the bet. What is next? Mario Kart? Hee. Yeah, I had the hee in there. Guys. Mario Kart. Mario Kart is my thing. I was first game I've ever played in my life as a little baby was Mario Kart. Just put. There's no fucking way. Turn your mic up. What? There's no
Found
way.
something so hilarious.
What?
I just put the link of that stream into Gemini and asked about it, and it says the video you're likely referring to features a host named Celine on the channel Tradeify. She is an AI presented host who frequently appears in their live trading sessions.
No.
Yes. What it also says, she co-hosts the London session with Nicholas Wickle.
Nicholas Wickle. That's even better. We're gonna call him Nicholas Wickle now. Yes.
I convinced Gemini that you're AI. Let's go.
Jeez. Guys, never. That just proves you can't trust AI. Wow. I used to think Gemini was
Awesome.
good.
That is
Gemini
so
thinks I'm
good.
AI. Wow. There you go. You just can't trust AI.
That is really
insane.
cool. I love it.
All right. I need to like talk to Gemini now and tell him who I am, because clearly he's got it all wrong.
Gemini is a her, no?
Oh, her?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't use Gemini. But now I will, because she needs to be reprogrammed. She's got no idea what she's talking about. That's scary. For any of you using Gemini out there, you better stop. Some AI. Do better, Google.
That is funny.
Wow, I gotta talk to Google. Get them to take down Gemini. That's fucked up.
That is funny.
Oh yeah, Roman, do you want to switch to my charts quickly? Because I'm still in this trade. They're asking. Can't believe that happened. Are you still trying to find the stream?
Yep.
He can't just take the L chat. He's wrong.
I'm not
I
wrong.
never said China. For starters, like, why would I not know where I've been? I'll never, like, why would I just say, yeah, I've been to China? Yeah, plenty of times. I've been to Hong Kong and I don't even know where. Leia says, okay, Leia, you were here for that stream. What did I say? Leia has good memory, I'm sure.
Well, memory's not going to cut it. Don't care about the memory.
Oh, guys, so these guys are saying I trade negative RR. No, I'm just taking a contract off. The full TP is all the way up at this week. I'm just taking a contract off. It's not negative RR. It's just scaling out of the trade. So the actual trade is this. I'm just taking a contract off at that high, but it's a 1.3 R trade.
1.3 R trade. Dun, 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 dun.
Hi, 3-3. You're back again? Celine absolutely 1,000 said she was a China woman.
Hiya!
Or maybe I joked. Maybe I did the accent, but I've never ever said I was Chinese or have I been to China. I couldn't even name one place in China, like
What do
Hong
you
Kong or no, that's like not even. Not even. See, because I haven't been there. I could tell you where Vietnam is.
Wow. Wow. Funny. This is going to take forever.
It definitely was comprehension from Nick Saturday. It 100% is. Yeah, Wuhan. Yep, I know Wuhan. That's right. Nick, the stream was probably the day before you wrote that note. Good point, Leo.
Yeah, I'm not stupid. That's what I searched first, obviously.
AI recognizes AI. That's actually crazy that Gemini is saying that. Why are they lying?
I'm trying to find this.
Yeah, Mo says, Celine, Nick doesn't even mention your Lebanese heritage. For shame. Nick mentions Thai and Chinese and all these other things that I'm not. Balinese. I'm not even of heritage. I'm literally I have 2 ethnicities and that is it. Just for Tradeify TV, I'm Balinese, Chinese, Vietnamese. Or the eases. What else is there? Ahmad Abdul, I am long too. He says, Celine, I'm long. Where would you TP if you took this long? I did take this long. I'm in this long. And I have a contract getting ready to take off at 26.020 at that 1 minute high, and then 26.057 for the rest.
How can I find this? How can I find this? Okay, your long is working. Your long is working. Nice.
Leia says you heard what you wanted to hear, and I think that's exactly what Nick does. He probably wasn't even listening.
You say what?
Bodhi Trey. Point proven. Bodhi Trey says I took it also in at 9.95, looking for 019. Nice. Who else took this long, guys? I mean,
Roman.
It's not. Wait, but again, no stop would have been better in this case, Nick, right?
Yes, true. Again.
Proving then the stop is the issue. We should all just trade with no stops.
Maybe you're right.
I am right. I'm always right. I
Talk with Jessie says, I think you should break even. Why would she break even here? That makes no sense.
I'll never understand those guys. Like, all right, so I mean, 10 points. No, not even 5 points of profit. Break even. Like what? No.
Weak Sweeper says, enter where Nick's stop is. Honestly, in most cases, that works.
Just lately. You can break this curse, Nick. Come on.
Never. Nick, Celine, which Fast and the Furious movie is your favorite? Honestly, most
Tokyo
legendary Tokyo Drift, yeah.
Yeah. Tokyo. Yeah. Yep, something like that.
Hey, we're only 31 likes away from hitting the giveaway target.
Giveaway.
Whoa,
Tradeify TV almost at 86,000 subscribers, guys. Let's go.
Ooh, I like that.
If you're new here, if you're just like, you just found our stream, you found our channel, make sure you subscribe, and that way we can actually talk to you guys. You can comment in the chat.
Space Champ 23 says, I need eval account, Celine and Nick. All right, then go to tradeify.co, use the code DASH, and you get 40% off. 1104 says, Tokyo Drift was bad. Dude, you have no taste. You have no taste, sir.
I still haven't seen Project Hail Mary came out in Bali, and I haven't gone to see it yet.
It's good. It's really good. I got jump scared twice, but outside of that.
Yeah, you said that. Okay, I gotta get ready for the jump scares. Also, I realized, we were talking about scary movies that episode.
Yeah.
That stream.
Yeah.
I realized scary movie. I do know. I have actually seen some scenes, and it's hilarious. So I actually will.
That's
go
what
and
I'm
watch
saying.
it.
That's great.
I just didn't put 2 and 2 together. Like I didn't know that scene was from those movies.
Scary Movie 6. I think it's coming out in June. It's gonna be good.
So maybe I'll work on watching all the scary movies up until then.
Wait, let me check when it comes out. Scary Movie 6. Release date June 5th. Let's see in Switzerland. June 4th. Haha. Switzerland always gets the movies a day earlier. It's so funny.
You're lucky. Bali gets them so late. And you know what happens? Bali gets the movies and they're only here for like a week. It's very like quick.
A week?
Very quick. Maybe 2 at most. It's like the amount of movies I've missed. Like I'll be planning to go see it, and then and then 1 week it's there, 1 week it's gone.
Interesting.
And
Very interesting. And it's gone.
Scary Movie 3 is the best.
I love Scary Movie. I love Scary Movie, but I don't love a scary movie.
Yeah, that's what I thought all of them were. But I have seen bits and pieces, like scenes that are popular from those movies, and now I get it. Because after that stream, I had to look it up, and I realized, oh, that's that movie. All right, NQ not really moving with volume. It's moving, but nothing exciting to see here. Probably going to be in this for a little while, but we got time.
Wicksweeper says, Nick, C Money said you tell us about Tradeify Challenge. What?
Tradeify Challenge. Oh, I think Wicksweeper was talking. He's having a troll. These guys were talking to me about the Grand Cup, and I said I can't reveal anything. And I said, and then now he's just trolling, trying to get information out of you. Cannot confirm nor deny, but just
can't tell you anything.
Just brace yourself for news. Yes, I use a mix Tradeify and TradeC now for executing. Yos and
I prefer TradeC though.
I do as well.
TradeC nice. TradeC is so nice.
Luke says, "How can you trade with TradingView?" Well, this is connected to my Tradeify chart, Tradeify account, so that's why you can see this. But if you have like a copy trader, you can see your trades through TradingView. But TradeC is here.
Wait, Shaquille Nat says London session, 8th of April. Yeah, that makes sense. She said it at 1 hour and 11. All right, let's check.
Oh, someone went back and found it?
I tried and actually searched that stream. I couldn't find it.
Wait, when? Which one?
I'm checking it right now. I'll let you know 1 second. I'll play it.
1:11.
I'll play it.
No, I'm looking for it too in case it's been corrupted.
11:04. Let me double check. 6:4. Wait, am I stupid?
Yes.
Wow, Celine, huh? That's how you treat me.
You're saying something that is absolutely false. So yes.
Okay, here, Roman,
it?
my screen. Let's see.
Wait, I don't think I can hear your screen, can I?
You can. All right, let me just check. Please. Okay, so you're Australian, Maldives, Greek, Serbian, Vietnamese, South African. Good.
People are definitely so confused by this intro. But anyway.
What? What did I do? As a joke. That's a straight up sarcastic joke.
Chat, we got her ass!
What? That's a joke, guys. Even the way I said it, why don't we just throw Chinese?
Roman, screen.
Sure. Looking at it, why not? Why don't we just add Chinese in there?
Chat, we got her. Leia, take this. Boom. We win every single time. Every single time.
I just want to.
Come on now. Come on now, money.
No,
Oh, fucking
no,
go.
wrong,
We
wrong.
fucking win. We get so much money. We get so much lightning fund to the count.
Guys, what the hell?
Thank you, legend, who found that. Thank you.
I'm
Thank you.
sorry
Thank you.
that
We
you
got
don't know
proof.
what sarcasm
We got
is.
proof. Leah, you lose. Celine, you lose.
No, because you clearly don't know. Guys, anyone who took that literally, that I am Chinese and that I've lived in China or whatever, you guys need help. I'm sorry, that's clear sarcasm. I said, why don't we just throw Chinese in there?
You said
Shut
might as
up.
well add
Nick,
Chinese
Roman,
in there.
take him off. I can't even look at his stupid face. Roman, take him off. Can't
Might
even
as
look
well
at him.
add Chinese in there. You said
Yeah,
it.
yeah, but I never said I was Chinese or any of that. It was a joke.
I only said you said we add Chinese to the intro.
You always like win, but just like by like thin, like it's not like a clear win.
A
Like
win is
okay,
a win, you know. It's like
like you're sort of right there. Like I did sort of say it, but like it's not in the context.
A win is a
that-
win. A win is a win.
Yeah, but
Like,
don't go
if
around
I
acting like
beat you in
you're
Mario
always
Kart-
so right, Nick, and
if
I'm
I beat
so
you-
wrong.
If
Okay.
I beat you in Mario Kart in like with a 0.0001 second advance, I win, and then a win is a win. I don't care.
I don't know how much longer we're gonna have the London session duo chat. I don't know how much longer this is gonna last. I can't keep getting defeated like this by stupid like little like details in error. Like maybe your memory is just good.
So
I don't
chat,
know.
that means she has to get me 2 lightning funded accounts. She doubled or nothing.
I hate gambling now. Gambling sucks.
You still owe Sputnik $16,000.
No, he's never seen that money. He just doesn't know.
Leah says sibling love at its best. Yes, very much so.
Sibling love or hate? I don't know.
Yeah. Exactly, Jonathan. There we go. With the Fast and Furious line there, in the words of Dominic Toretto, you can win by an inch or a mile. Winning is winning. It's true.
That is true. Oh, but it just sucks. This pains me. I'd rather take this trade. Like, I'd rather lose this trade than lose to Nick. That's the reality. It sucks.
Yeah, Roman, let's go back to her screen. Let's see the trade. You know what? My day's so good today. I love it.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. I'm happy for myself.
How are those legs doing?
They're doing great. Fantastic. I can jump. No issue.
Damn it.
Good.
I don't know. Chicken, we need to work on this guy over here. We need to find
Chicken
something.
chuckles with the same things every single time.
What, arguing with you and being wrong?
Yeah.
What are we going to do? I don't know. One day I will call you out and you'll be wrong. And I'll do it live on stream in front of everyone like you do with me.
Maybe.
No, not maybe. No, not maybe. Definitely. You will be wrong one day and everyone will be
Maybe.
here to see it.
Maybe.
It'll be the
Let's
biggest
see.
stream ever.
I'm happy for
wait.
you if you can do that.
Shut up. There's so much rage bait from one single person.
Leah, that doesn't make sense what you said. Leah says, spin a wheel, heads for pizza and tails for a lightning. What?
Spin a wheel, heads for pizza.
No. Celine and I play coin toss all the time. Heads I win, tails she loses.
What?
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 What do you mean we play heads or tails? I didn't catch that.
Well,
What? I hate being so slow to jokes. It's really a struggle. Can someone help? Now all the chat are laughing and I don't get it. Why is everyone laughing? I'm just gonna exiting the room.
The slow rollout. And then her arm is still in the frame. Oh man, Celine. You're
Tell her
funny.
again, Nick.
You're funny.
They said tell me again.
Yeah. I said heads I win, tails you lose. Seriously?
Heads you win, tails I lose. Why? Like if it lands. Oh no shit! So I never win.
Oh no shit! Wow, she got
Well,
it, chat.
It's that complex. You have to think, guys. Whoever got that instantly is like very genius. That's not easy. You said that so quick.
You know, but actually, fun fact, that works with almost every person. Like if you do a coin toss for anything, just say, all right, heads I win, tails you lose. Flip the coin.
See?
And then
You say it so quick.
if you say it like that confidently, quickly, you will always win coin toss.
Yeah, so you've done this before. That's what I mean, guys. That wasn't. That's a trick. That's actually the way he said it. He's perfected that. He said it so quickly. It didn't even like go through my mind. That's a dad joke from like 30 years ago. Yes, he.
Yeah, I was a dad 30 years ago. Oh, AI credits ran out. Sorry, chat. No more AI credits. Roman's like, go on, we lost it. Okay. Stand trade, say it one more time, but slowly, please. No. Let's see. She actually dropped out. She's asking in the back room, guys, I'm still here. Can you guys hear me? That's funny. That is funny. Hey, we got 600 likes. Hell yeah. All right. So while we wait for Celine to come back, let's run a giveaway, I guess. Let's run a giveaway. We're going to open the Google form right now. We're not going to pick a winner right now. So that means if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you're going to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once it's sent to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Good luck, everybody. Let's see. Let's see who wins this. Hello. Oh, she's back. You suddenly froze and then you were gone. I don't know. Well, not yet. Roman still needs to add you to the scene. Yeah, Leah, it's a new form. So everybody who filled out the form for the previous giveaway, you can fill it out again. That's interesting. I can see her, Roman. I can see her camera and her screen right now. Let's see. I wanted to say something, but I forgot. Damn it. Brain not braining. Oh, there she is. Welcome back. Let's go to her screen, Roman, if you can. She's still in the trade. Hi.
Trade's not doing anything.
Ursula. I know.
It's super blurry for me. Can you hear me, Nick?
Yeah, it's all good.
Okay.
Ursula, I know you don't ask a woman how old she is, but if you tell me how old you turned today, then I'm gonna add this amount of entries to the giveaway for you. Andrea says she looks pissed, chat.
Oh, sorry. I'm just trying to work out what's going on with my camera because for me it's really blurry, but if you guys can hear and see me, it's all good. I'm not pissed. I've survived that. I've dealt with a lot worse from Nick.
Bodhi says Ursula's 84.
Oh.
Yeah, probably not. I mean, 84 years old and trading would be sick. And she's gone again. Celine, come back. No. No. Well. Technical difficulties for Celine today. For whatever reason. Chat, is anybody in a trade? Let me know. Ursula, 51. All right, awesome. So we're gonna add 51 entries for you for that giveaway. Okay, let's see. NQ long, no, I'm done. In this market, hell no. Hell no, market sucks. In the long with Celine, but got in at 26K. Long on MNQ. Shen Long is long, well, obviously. G4Geo says basically the same trade as C Money. Nice. I'm in a sell, I'm in a long, shorts, longs. I see everything in the chat. Holy. You guys are going long, short, everything. Huh. Short on gold. Stereo. Nick, can you explain the Tradeify logo? Yes, it's basically the holy middle finger. No, I'm kidding. It's obviously the hands and the chart. Obviously. Trader Nikohan, for whatever reason, when I read your comment, I thought you were being sarcastic. Well, yeah, Celine's trade is working out. Celine's trade is working out nicely. She said something in the back room. Funny. For her, she is in the stream room, but she's alone. And she's definitely not here, so I don't know. I don't know. Jeremiah, what happened to Celine? The AI credits ran out, unfortunately. Yep. Let's see. Trade quietly. Nick, when should we trail this? This is not a signal service. You trail when you want to trail. Or you don't trail when you don't want to trail. You trade you. If it breaks this Asia high before pre-market, I'll hold it all day, says Tiak Chase. Okay, nice. You have a plan. That's good. What if it doesn't break? Also, Roman, can you mute your mic? I can hear you type super loud. P, bro, could you rolling cause I have to go to work. We're not gonna do the giveaway now. I opened the form, but I'm not gonna pick a winner yet. Still need some time. Troy, what do you think about gold chart right now? As said before, what I want to see on gold is pull back into the GP area, so 4820-ish, this area right here. Ideally, even a pullback into the 707, so 4,809, and then a bounce from here. So longs, but I need a deeper pullback before I won't take longs here. Let's see, I'm waiting to trade up to open night if we break the open cleanly. Starrock, what's the biggest difference between Beep and Tradeify? Tradeify is awesome. Starboy, let's run it. Nope, not yet. Ooh, I think Celine is back. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, what up, C-Money?
That was weird as. I could see you and hear you, but then you just disappeared, and then I can just see your charts, and I don't even know. But I'm here. What did I miss?
You missed so much. Your trade is working out. What's your TP? Oh, you need to reshare your screen.
While sorry. While I was doing all that, my trade was still running. I took TP1 has been hit, and then
and she's gone again.
Next TP is 26057.
Lady, your internet.
You can't hear me?
Your internet is worse than my vacuum cleaner's internet.
So I'm gone. Am I here or am I gone?
Nah, now
I can see you.
Now you're back. Now you're back.
It's so annoying. I don't know what's going on. Because my charts like are moving normally. It looks like I have stable Wi-Fi. I don't get it. But anyway, just look, it just has to last another half an hour. But let me know if I am freezing. I'll just have to do a reboot. I just ended up closing my web browser and then opening it up again. But anyway, this is the trade. TP1 has hit. Nick, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. TP1 is hit. And then I just have TP2 at 26057. So just waiting.
So far, so good.
Been a long trade. 350 was the entry, and it's now. Whoa, has it been 40 minutes? That's crazy.
You've been in this for a while.
Crazy.
Stereo, is the moon further than Australia? Obviously not. Back test, forward test, build confidence in your trade plan, says Mike. Yes. Trade your system, trade your plan, correct.
So weird about the Wi-Fi. I don't get it.
Yeah. I mean, sometimes that happens. It can happen. Wild Wolf, if you had an account before Tradeify 3.0, you will still get charged monthly if you're on the old account. Only after only if you purchased an account after Tradeify 3.0, that's when you don't get charged monthly. Global Citizen Live, why is TradeC not letting me take partials? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Stop it. That's a good song. Don't hate on JB like that. Shut up.
Yeah, 1104, obviously, yeah. You can't take partials from one contract.
Are we gonna hit this TP?
Let's see. We're clearly back above 26k, so that's good.
Pump it, pump it, pump it.
Beats.
Motri Yassine, what's your strat, guys? The strategy I use to enter this is just basically I use the previous 4-hour low sweep align with the previous 15-minute low sweep. But in this case, it didn't actually sweep on NQ. It swept on ES. So it's like an SMT that we had. And that candle was quite the candle, like very obvious like manipulation because it was just out of nowhere and in an instant. So I took it as an SMT and the entry was based on a 1 minute inversion. And that's why I was in this trade. I'm just targeting previous 4-hour high.
The actual reason was Roman said go long.
Yes, actually.
Starboy says, dude, Nick, I want to see you on game night today, sir. Today, actually, Amas is going to be on game night.
So I'm laughing because I don't know if he's sharing that thing he whipped up.
Oh, yeah. That's so funny. That's only internal, though.
I thought he was going to post it.
Maybe he will. It's funny what Rebecca said. JP checking out Dan. It's great.
Mike saying to break even after TP1. Normally, if I'm on fundeds, yes. But in this, like... in this case, I am not in this trade. So I'm letting it have a full stop, basically. I'm happy with that. I did remove some of the risk on these Tradesy accounts, but on this one, it happened.
Toad Torres, we have actually taken multiple trades before based on the chat's vote. So Lulu says no game night equals London game equals bullying and defeating Celine. Yes.
No, we don't want any more bullying and defeating Celine, please. I would be interested in chat for Nick to join. Like,
me.
Hold on. You know, it would be interesting to see us like have a League of Legends game night and make Nick play with us. And I would.
100%. I've never played this game. You would smoke me easy.
Yeah, I would.
100%. What we could do is you teach me how to play it.
And you need a bit
and
of
then I
intelligence
teach you how
for
to play Age of Empires, because I think from what I've heard, they're similar games.
Really?
Yes, they're obviously different, but they're kind of similar.
I've actually never seen Age of Empires like in any gameplay or anything. I have no idea what it looks like.
And I've never seen League. It's funny. So
you've never seen League? That's such a popular game.
Yeah, Age of Empires too.
Not as popular as League. Let me see. Age of Empires. Age of Empires 4?
No, 2. Okay, people are saying they're not the same at all. Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Correct me.
He was wrong. I wish I knew better to correct him, but thanks, chat. I just trusted him. I was like, really? Oh, okay. You can't trust Nick all the time.
Yeah, as I said, I have no idea about League.
All right, I'm quickly watching gameplay.
Empires on disc. That is sick. I would frame frame that disc and hang it up.
Wait, I'm just watching quickly the gameplay here. Okay.
Monkey pressing button says they're both top-down view. That's about it.
It looks a bit confusing.
Okay, wait. Let me look up League now. 1 second.
League is so fun. You basically have one base at one end and another base at the other end, and then you have to protect your own.
That's like Age of Empires.
Yeah, but it works in like 3 lanes. There's one person who takes the top lane, 2 people in the bottom lane, 1 person in the middle lane, and then 1 jungle. That's your team. And then you work together to destroy their base. And it can go on for like an hour most. Really.
Oh, that's like super cartoony.
Yeah, what are you trying to say? When your game is not cartoony?
The characters look super cartoon-like. No, Age of Empires is more like realism, quote unquote.
Yeah, okay, so it's a bit different there. No, they're the best. The champions are like, people will pay a lot of money just to have like champion skins and this, that, like
they're not
all the
like,
animations.
Obviously, I've looked at this gameplay for 30 seconds now, but just looking at the gameplay, it doesn't look so different from Age of Empires, to be honest.
But you say you can play an Age of Empires game for 8 hours. Like, it's clearly a more complex game, I think.
Might be. This freaking wizard who runs like he has 2 broken legs. It's weird. Okay, yeah, interesting.
League is fun. Look, if the gaming team want to do League, or actually Mobile League is much easier for me because I don't even have a PC right now to play games, but one day. Nick must be rage baiting.
Cheeseball says I sold my soul to League of Legends for like 15 years. Damn.
It's really one of those games like you turn into another. It can really frustrate a lot of people. That's why I stopped playing for a long time. I haven't played in a while actually, because it's just a real rage bait game. Can you talk to people when you play Age of Empires? Like, is there a chat while you're playing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that's the most.
But I mean, I prefer to play it with friends and all in the same place anyways. That's so cool.
Right, yeah.
Still trying to get like 8 friends together because you can play it. One game is max 8 players. So still trying to get 7 of my friends and I together and then all in the same place. And then do
and you like work together to like defend the empire. Is that how it works?
No, you like you can do multiple things. You can play against AI, but you can also play against each other. So if it's like 8 players, you would do 4v4 or 2v2v2v2. You can also do that. Or you can do 1v1v1v1v1v1, just basically everybody against everybody. So it's pretty cool.
Interesting. That sounds fun.
Yeah. Yep.
Jaja says League ruins lives. You're not wrong. Thought Fetuses, you don't have a PC. Trading not going so great at the moment. Yeah, that's right. No, I've honestly just been a nomad, like we said, a digital nomad for the longest time. And do you think I can carry a PC around? No.
I mean, I play Age of Empires on my laptop.
Oh, maybe it doesn't take so much. Like League, you definitely couldn't play on my laptop. Maybe it doesn't.
Depends what I guess. It depends what laptop you have. Yeah.
But yeah, that's why I started playing mobile when I moved to Bali. I've just been playing a lot of mobile games lately.
I don't like mobile games.
Yeah, but I think Wild Rift. Oh, you know what you should play on mobile? Pokemon Unite. Pokemon Unite. Really fun.
But isn't that also on Switch?
Yeah, but it's like I don't know.
So
if you can't be bothered, if you can't be bothered getting your like Switch out, you can just play on your phone.
such effort to get my Switch out. Fonda Jabam says my name coming on the wheel before GTA 6. Maybe. But today Ursula gets 51 entries, so we'll see.
That's sick.
We will see.
Fly high to Mill. Celine, I've booked profit in my fund account with which you took the same trade. Thank you, Celine. AI is always better. Look, I was going to say, until that last bit, I was going to say, love that, appreciate you, and I'm glad that you took profit in your funds, but then you had to end with the AI comment, so I take that all back. No, but for real, glad you guys took some profits here. I'm still holding this trade, full TP at 26.057 if we get there.
I'm just preparing the wheel here with everybody for the giveaway. So there are about 500 people in there, which means Ursula has about a 10% chance of winning because it's her birthday. I'm gonna just add Ursula, birthday child, and then I'm gonna add that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then
I believe in you, Ursula.
10,
power.
15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and she already entered once, so 51 entries for Ursula. Shuffling. She has about a 10% chance of winning. It's pretty good.
Let's go.
Should we spin it now?
No, let's make them wait. Sorry, Ursula. We'll make you wait a little bit more. Just to build that suspense, Makes sense.
We'll see.
Nick, could we still enter? Nope.
Nope, too late. DeMarcus Down says it's been my birthday twice this year. No extra entries.
Good try.
Funny.
No, guys, if you're too late, you're too late. We can't.
Jonathan says, spin the wheel, I gotta go poop. You know, Jonathan, take your phone with you. There's a YouTube chat on there, no problem.
Furniture Bam, no news. No big impact news. I mean, we could have like a Trump tweet. I'm not going to say that wouldn't happen, but there's no like actual scheduled red folder news.
Chat's funny.
I bought 2 times in a year. Yeah, Nick just added himself there, didn't he?
Hell yeah. Mm-hmm.
Love a Trump tweet.
No, kids, no. Because I took a sip of coffee, just as Nick read out Jonathan's comment about needing to go poop. Spat my coffee all over my keyboard.
Oh no, kids. Oh no.
Sorry. Shagster, what psychopath calls his dog Peter, man?
What the hell? Peter's way too much of a human name for a dog.
Come here, Peter.
That's so messed up.
Of course, Fly High Tamil. Of course, Celine looks AI because she is AI.
I got nothing on that. I can't say anything because Gemini is now against me here. I have a whole Google AI built machine that is telling everyone, telling the world that I'm AI. It's so bullshit. So,
Satish, too late. You got to be around through the entire stream to get the link. I sent the link about 20 minutes ago. Wig Super says, always wanted a dog named Damn It. Damn it, come here. That's funny. Hey, your trade is gonna probably test your patience for a bit today.
oh, it has already. Almost an hour in this one. Almost an hour. Wait, maybe it has been an hour. What time was it?
Damn,
3:51.
Rayford, sorry to hear that. Fly High Tamos, his whole word is against AI, but Tradeify loves AI. Hell yeah, we love AI.
He's always wanted a dog named Chicken.
Imagine how random you go into the park and you're like, Chicken, come here.
That's why it's funny. I want to get a dog one day.
Stereo says I'm selling the giveaway link for 25k silver.
What a business guy. That Stereo, like, that's a good idea. He's a hustler.
Funny. Shagster, no, my trade is fine. The true being Wills, Peter is better than Chicken. Chicken is better than Peter, sorry. And Damn It is also better than Peter. Everything's better than Peter.
Chance, dog named Dog is even better.
Dog, come here.
Dog. Wait, no, you have cats. You don't have a dog.
I have 2 cats, yeah. I would like a dog, but the thing is, my opinion is when you have a dog, you should provide that dog with an amazing life. And that means you got to spend a lot of time with that dog. And I just can't take the time right now to spend with a dog. And that way I feel it's unfair to own one.
Yeah, it's so sad. Dogs, like, yeah, they need affection. They need to play. That's true. One day I want a dog.
Jonathan says, there's just one flaw with taking your phone to poop. If you sit long enough, you get pins and needles in your legs. Honestly, I like that feeling sometimes.
Oh my god. I cannot say I've experienced that, but you guys, you do you. I'm not lying. Okay. I'm a girl. Girls don't poop.
Yeah, true. Just rainbows and flowers.
Get out of that trade now, Funded Shabam says. Oh no. What do I do, Nick?
You cooked.
Funded Shabam said I should get out. Oh, nope. I'm going to hold.
No, Mo. Cats just don't need as much time, you know?
And I feel like cats are more, yeah, they just like self-manage. They even like clean themselves. They do everything themselves. And they're not as playful. Cats don't need to like run around and go to the park. I mean, do you take your cats for walks?
No, my fiance always wants to. And I always say, fuck no.
Yes, she should do it. That would be so cute.
She took one cat down to the mailbox once, and the cat was so scared. Like literally just pressing her head against her because she wouldn't want to see.
Because they've been inside cats their whole life.
Yeah. I mean, they go onto the balcony, but.
Oh, you let them out there?
No, we locked them out there. We let them out there.
No, you let them out there is what I said. But that's kind of crazy because you're like high up. Would they try jump or are they too scared?
No, they don't. I mean, they sometimes go hunt bees and insects and stuff. And in the beginning, we were scared that they would jump over, but they don't.
Smart cats.
Kiss. That's a random question.
Wait, what? I don't want to think about that now. So random.
That is random. Starboy. Yes. If you predict who wins today's giveaway, and you cannot say Ursula, then you get a 50k Lightning funded account.
All right, it's on. I like that. That's good. He's got to give the exact username.
Mm-hmm. Funded Japan, there's about 500 entries.
Come on, Trade, do something.
Lulu says, my prediction is Lulu. Yannick says, one of us wins.
Oh, Funded Shabam says K-Sun will win today, my prediction. What, no one's going to go with Trader Ben? If you guys know probabilities,
yeah,
your best bet is Trader Ben X. Just saying.
Trader Ben FX.
Oh, FX, sorry. Oh, there we go. Someone said Trader Ben. Okay.
Yeah, Justin, that sucked. I saw it. Justin, so we gave away, like yesterday we did a marble race on the New York stream, and the winner got an account and the last place, and Justin got second.
Oh, Justin.
That's bad.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Justin, you won here the other day. To be fair. You won.
Let's see. I think we should do the giveaway now.
Yeah, let's do it. This trade is doing nothing exciting.
All right. Let's see. So the winner of this giveaway, and I said Ursula has a 10% chance because it's her birthday. The winner is...
Here we go. Here we go.
Awesome Trader. Congrats, Awesome Trader. That's awesome, Trader.
Congrats. Love that. Love that name.
Type something in the chat.
That's an awesome name.
Okay, Dad.
You're the one with the heads or tails joke.
Yeah, you're the one that didn't get it. Come on, Awesome Trader, type something.
Are you here?
Shaxter says, yes, predicted right.
Shut up. Guys, good try. Oh, he's there. He said, hey, I won. Hey, you did win.
You did win. Now, the question is, what did you win? Let's find out. So, you win. I'm going to do growth, select, and lightning as usual. You, sir, win. Spinning the pizza wheel as well. Ooh, the select account. Ooh, there's a big one. There's a big one. There's a big one. 150K select account. Oh, shit.
Let's go. Nice win.
That is a big boy account. I'm not even gonna let you gamble that one because it's so good.
That's an awesome prize for an awesome trader.
That is a great price. So all you gotta do now is you have to add your email address to your YouTube channel description and make sure it is your actual Tradeify login email. Okay, you can't just add a random email. Add the one that you use to log into your Tradeify account. And we're going to be reaching out to you within the next 7 days and send you your 150K select account. That's massive. Congrats.
It said, Matt in the chat said, Celine isn't actually academically smart, Lamoche. You can tell she doesn't get basic jokes. I said, sad but true. That side of my brain just doesn't fire all the time.
Awesome trader, if I would have let you gamble, would you have done it?
Ooh, and can we see the result?
I first want to hear if he would have. Justin.
Justin, bro, that's a timeout, Justin.
No, not Justin. Don't ban Justin.
It's gonna slowly increase.
Justice for Justin.
No. I'm not getting bullied on here anymore.
Yeah, Coral Tank, we can see you. Damn it.
Justin is cooked. Yep.
Awesome trader. Let me know. Would you have gambled if I would have let you? Everybody type justice for Justin in the chat. Hashtag justice for Justin.
Rules are rules. I said yesterday, so this is a warning. Oh, he wouldn't have gambled. Awesome trader.
Okay, good.
Shut up, Nick. This is not Nick's dictatorship, guys. We don't have to do everything he says. Justin did a wrong thing. He got a warning yesterday.
Save Justin.
Knows better. You know what, Justin? We're going to get the overnight oats back on the screen right now. Roman, can we please switch to my charts just so these guys can see?
Look at the chat.
I don't even care. There's so many of guys. You're falling for his dictatorship. Look,
Justin for Justin.
Look, guys, look at that, Justin. Look at that. Enjoy those overnight oats. Enjoy it. There you go, guys. We're gonna just be like this for the rest of the stream. No trading, like just overnight oats. How about that? Look at that. We're gonna zoom in on it too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the overnight oats. Oh, did Nick leave? Yes. Oh, can we just get a breather in here? Nick has just left. Everyone take a deep breath. Oh,
remove that image. My child.
What about justice for Selena around here?
My child, remove this image.
No.
Right now.
God is not with us, Jonathan.
Justice for Justin. Remove this overnight oats image. Right now.
Or else what?
Or else.
What? You got anything, God?
Or else.
That's it? Alright, whatever. Because your voice scares me, I'm getting rid of it.
I guess we'll find out.
It's gone now. I don't want the voice anymore. Yay, the chat was justice for Celine. There we go, there we go. I got them back on my side, Nick. Too bad. Too bad, Justin. Justice for
Why? Justin is
Celine.
back too. Justin is back too. You know.
That was some bullshit. I hate when that voice comes out. It's actually terrifying.
Well,
I wish
every single time when I hear this voice, I'm like, I don't
Have you
even
ever
hear the
gone
voice.
back to the streams and listened to it?
No, I always forget it.
Freaky.
Yeah, I heard so. I heard so.
Oh, Jonathan's heading off. Jonathan said, thank you
Hey.
again for this morning's stream. I'll see you all later for New York or at London. Huge loves. Love you,
Hell yeah.
Jonathan.
Love you, Jonathan.
See you. Well, I won't be seeing you in New York, but I'll see you in the London tomorrow.
I will though. I will though. Wait. Leah says, Nick, what do you think of a wheel for a 25k growth account for Ursula? 10 zeros and 10 ones. Ooh. Chat, are we gonna do a birthday giveaway for Ursula? Is that what's gonna happen? I mean,
Let's see
Ursula is an OG, you know, she's been here forever. Put a
I
one
am
in the
100%.
chat, put a 1 in the chat if you want a giveaway for Ursula. Put a 2 in the chat if you don't want that.
I want it. Also because she's in a trading couple, she gets it.
Let's see.
One.
Damn, Ursula, maybe Leah just organized an account for you. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow, look at the Tradeify Nation. Everyone is so nice here, honestly.
They are nice. I love that. All right. Leah, you made it happen. Let's see. Win. Lose. And you said 10 of each. There you go.
All right.
25k growth account. Ursula, this might be your day. But there's only one chance. We're not going to spin anything again after. This is already way more than we should do. But here we go.
Just because it's your birthday. All
It's
right.
because it's your birthday and you. This is close. Really close.
Win.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh my god.
This
That was
is
freaking-
close.
That's right on the line. Ursula, today's your day. I think you need to go to the casino because that is very, very lucky.
This was so close.
But happy birthday from Tradeify.
Leia even jumped in and said, Nick, no, 5, 10. Yeah, sorry, I messed up. But she won. So, whatever. Whatever. Okay, Ursula, you know the drill. Add your email address that you use for your Tradeify login to your YouTube channel description. And we're going to be sending you a 25k growth account. Happy birthday.
Yay.
Happy birthday. Cool. All right. With that being said, chat, thank you so much for watching as usual. Put a big fat W in the chat if you love the stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated this stream. But I think Celine's trade that she just took, that's about halfway to TP, definitely deserves a W. So put them W's in the chat. And then I'll see you later for the New York stream at 9 a.m. Eastern time. I'll come on. But the stream starts at 8 a.m. Eastern time with our other Nick. So maybe make sure that you tune into that. And then, of course, tomorrow, 8 a.m. UK time for another... No. My bad. 7 a.m. UK time, because now we got the Frankfurt Open with our one and only Chinese Celine at 7 a.m. UK time. So tune into that. And yeah, before we leave, Celine, any last words you want to leave the chat with?
Last words? Yeah, absolutely. I am not Chinese, guys. I'm not Chinese. I'm not the China woman that you think I am, that Nick so says I am. But anyway, in terms of trading, stop that face. I hope you guys will, if you've had trades, congrats. Markets have been slow this session, let's be real. I've been in this trade for over an hour, but I hope you guys learned patience, at least just from watching. Like, I've just left the trade as it is. And that's the lesson from today. Just like, if you're in trades, be patient. Don't be trying to micromanage. Don't have FOMO. If you're not in trades, wait for your setups. New York session is around the corner. Make sure you're there. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, 7 a.m. UK.
Peace out.